blunt, I'm taking a puff. I'm stuck, don't feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real, don't know when I stay out of town. I get dough when I stay out of town. 500 shops, I got 500 rounds. 500 plots, I got 500 pounds. Yeah, I'm trusting none, I'm told. Honestly, I'm trusting half what I'm shown. I don't pop out, but it's each to their own. I bet she hate when I be on my phone. And she forgot I got me on my phone. I say for me to forget that I'm known. Oh, you about bullshit, know that you grown. Don't know the only reason I condone. I know how it works, I know you a flirt. She tell me to flex, I not safe for work. Don't get your feelings hurt while tryna alert. My bitch want Chanel, then she grab a purse. She told me she bad, I say you could do worse. I'm born to be blessed, I live with a curse. Well, shit is a mess, I'm rolling up first. I smoke on my blunt, then I hit the church. Cause nobody get where you coming from. You know how you get when you going on. You know what we on, matter how you judge. Dealing with bullshit out of love. My life a story, it's not a punching. My life a party, it's not a function. I never needed no introduction. No, I'm a star, I'm still adjusting. And I can't go out like that. You know that's why I'm clutching. And I see it why they overreact. But all this shit ain't nothing. Told me you gon' send a brand new on me. Talking like you got an option. She said it's like you don't know you a star. Tell her that I'm still adjusting. Not living enough. This blunt, I'm taking a puff. I'm stuck, don't feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real, don't know when I stay out of town. I get dough when I stay out of town. 500 shops, I got 500 rounds. 500 plots, I got 500 pounds. Yeah, I'm trusting none, I'm told. Honestly, I'm trusting half what I'm shown. I don't pop out, but it's each to their own. I bet she hate when I be on my phone. And she forgot I got me on my phone. I say for me to forget that I'm known. Argue about bullshit, know that she grown. Don't know the only reason I condone it.
Niggas say they insane, but I'm really insane. Yeah, niggas stay in your lane, cause mine might drive you crazy. Yo, I just fucked that bitch, I didn't know that was your baby. Yo, I just count this cash, it ain't too much to say. Yo, I just get too fly, like what more can I say? Yo, she doing tricks on the dick, that hoe served her so late. Yeah, I'm in Milan, try to eat squid, and my bitch serving face. I wake up, no stylist, fresh as fuck, I put it on her, I did this shit. Got this fine hoe, no makeup, and she still look bad as shit. She in school, but it's cool, yeah, I still my baddest bitch. Diamonds flooded like a pool, yeah, my necklace wet as shit. Rapping Balenciaga too, bitch, I'm flyer than a pigeon. Yeah, I stand my paper up, way taller than a midget. All these niggas lame as fuck, and they hate cause they don't get it. Yeah, little bitch, I'm cool as fuck, and it's paper that I'm getting. Way too rich to drive a Rolls. Made $1 million out the stove. She like to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put it on all the bros. I done fucked her in the road. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, pull up with Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about business, I'm man of mine. Pull up in the trees like Caliban. Pull up with a rocket like number 9. I don't want your hoes. Your nigga reach all the goals. Let her suck the dick, said she was a pro. She scrape with teeth, I'ma tell her to go. Go. Hair so good, she on the road. She'll ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go. Hair so good, she on the road. She'll ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
Huncho, I shit it big. You did it, kid. You did it, kid. Like a nigga J got potty trained. Hourglass, how a body came. Chopping down with the what a name. Know what I'm saying? I'm telling you. Pushing beat, Bill Bellamy. Bitch round with a felony.
See the jealousy, the struggle made me a better me. Why you talking, is you paying me? Lamborghini coated candy. If I fuck her, she gon' have a baby on the plan A and the plan B. $250,000 to the nannies. I'm the head of the family.
My mama had to cry for this. My gang had to side for this.
Pistol P had to die for this. Doing time through the wire for this.
Fresh out the bricks to a brick. We stepping outside with the shit. Hannah Montana with grits. That 100 bag gon' make them blitz.
I'm up, I'm rich. Look at my bitch, she fine and rich. Study the game and I find a glitch. Hustler, I got a mind like Mitch. He not poppin', he kinda lit. He not worth it, he kinda rich.
Nigga ain't trippin', just sign the shit. 100 mil, we'll split. If it's 50 mil, we'll split. If it's 2 on 1, they'll split. 3 bitches split a G6. Deep platinum plaques ain't nothing. I stand over, take a piss.
I stand over, take a shit. This 100,000 on the wrist. Get the money, never politic. Flow seats, Atlanta versus the Knicks.
Young nigga with the birds, cow pits. In the Yadium, Sadie Benz. We don't play with him, he got friends. He know me go them, knock off limbs. Yeah, we did it, kid, to the M's. Ryan presidential with the rims.
Helping Ye find Kim and the black double M Benz. No new friends, no boo with my twins.
Remember we kicked that down, I'ma cut it and let us in. Born to win, I committed sin with a see-through lens. I filled up all my pockets, now you get a pocket to pick.
Thank God I'm alive and rich. No lie, I survived the trench. Pay my tithes, living marvelous. That's the reason I don't talk of this.
Hand bit it like a carpenter did it. Shooting bullets out the cars for this. Tattoos and the scars for this. Remember when we used to bar fit?
Go. Hair so good, she on the road. She'll ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go. Hair so good, she on the road. She'll ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She ride it like she's facts. We turn up to the max. I whop her from the back. I gave that bitch a cramp. They love me out in France. In the hood, I'm good, I'm stamped. Every day I dress all black. For sure 900 rags. To the East Coast double that. On my neck a bubble back. On my wrist new Cadillac. Cause I all don't want a bag. Little bitch, I'm a superstar. These hoes wanna fuck my car. My dog put a nigga in park. Gotta watch out for the noise. Ayy.
Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the winter dance. But this is a different holy ground when I'm on the gram. They hit me, they give me adrenaline. Their demons is making me sin again. I need to change how I'm living in. Take too much money to get rid of them. We did it, kid, we did it. I love when she playing submissive. I need to finish my mission. I need my kids to be Christian. All of my hits to be hidden. All of my people, they listen. Who gon' come make us a difference? You know I fit the description. My man had to die for this. Somebody gotta die for this. Whole city finna ride for this. Say a prayer, we need God for this. And we still living marvelous. Pray for people in the world for this. And they make a new law for this. Before we ever get caught for this. We got everything that we want. I'm with Elon Musk eating lunch. I bought a new crib at the space station. I can park my rocket in the front. And that money coming in a bunch. I done had a feeling and a hunch. I'ma win whenever I say when. I got too much power in my tongue. I got horsepower in the trunk. We too tough, they too punk. Thought I was coming and I ain't do nothing. I was just scared niggas, that was fun. Taking awards since I was young. I go to war, just me and my gun. I'm with it all when we in a crunch. A real king gon' stand in the front. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be superheroes when we finish this. Pray for the innocent, the Ukraine and the citizens. Look at the shoes that I'm sitting in. Ain't nobody out winning him. They say it's written, well it's written in. This one is different.
she ride dick like a carnival. Been over having flashbacks, she gon' eat me up like a carnival. It's the way I pop my shit, the hoes not ready, I'm going barnacles. Moving to feel like a Jason, can't get arrested, I make them start mode. She want a private session, roll out them X's when I'm on Melrose. She tatted my name on her titties, yeah you could bust it, but it's a borrow. Sitting back counting up doors, I was raised in the barrow. She wanna taste it, checking the sweat today, ho, come back tomorrow. If you know what I know, how to hold, just out the facts, don't having them high toes. Running around in the lobby, I know that they tired me, having like 10 hoes. She needs some presidentials, just to be presidential. I'm out to buy some dentures, make the hoe eat me for dinner. Pain, all in my eyes, I can't see. I'm out to jump out my body, I'm ready to leave. I'm out to nut on her body and tell her hoe leave. 50 mil stuff in the bag, tell the whole gang eat. The J and body, tell me who fucking with we. I'm hot like the Carter, I'm feeling that hoe in my sleep. Dollar signs all in my dreams, I don't never see Z's. Wow, this way, cover my body like it's a disease. Wow.
To the city of God. Pop was the king of New York. Now I'm the nigga in charge. Only the drillers, the city is ours. Find out the ops when we pick them apart. I give them my time, so I give them my heart. If the city love me, then they're really a star.
Meet me in the lobby. Fishbowl, 6 shots, and blunts. Send them back. All of my niggas be into that. Get the clapping niggas, get the slapping niggas, get the clipping niggas, get the switching niggas, smacking niggas, 7-11. I cannot work no 95. This I'm trapping 24/7. I gotta get to the cash. I gotta get to the breach. Send a nigga up to heaven. Reach. And I smoke that grade A. For the nigga J.A. Don't think I'm playing, nigga. I ain't playing, nigga. Telling me in the lobby. Will I shoot a nigga probably? Bitch, I'm a top shot tuck. Bad man, what? Talk for what? Shoot sensation. Shoot Ben Blocks.
footprints in the sand. We did everything that we planned. Huncho, I shit it big. You did it, kid. You did it, kid. Like a nigga, J got potty trained. Hourglass, how a body came. Chopping down with a what a name. Know what I'm saying? I'm telling you. Pushing P, Bill Bellamy. Bitch round with a felony.
See the jealousy, the struggle made me a better me. Why you talking, is you playing me? Lamborghini coated candy. If I fuck her, she gon' have a baby on the plan A and the plan B. $250,000 to the nannies. I'm the head of the family.
My mama had to cry for this. My gang had to sign for this.
Mr. P had to die for this. Doing time through the wire for this.
Fresh out the bricks to a brick. We stepping outside with the shits. Hannah Montana with grits. That 100 bag gon' make them blitz.
I'm up, I'm rich. Look at my bitch, she fine and rich. Study the game and I find a glitch. Hustler, I got a mind like Mitch. He not popping, he kinda lit. He not with it, he kinda rich.
Nigga ain't tripping, just sign it. 100 mil will split. If it's 50 mil, we'll split. If it's 2 and 1, they'll split. 3 bitches split a G6. Deep platinum plaques ain't nothing. I stand over and take a piss.
I stand over, take a shit. There's 100,000 on the wrist. Get the money, never politic. Flow 6 Atlanta versus the Knicks.
Young nigga with the birds, cow pits. In the 80, Sadie Benz. We don't play with him. He got friends. He know me go them. Knock off limbs. Yeah, we did it, kid, to the M's. Ryan presidential with the rims.
Happen, yeah, fine Kim. And the black double M Benz. No new friends. No boo with my twins.
Remember we kicked that done, I'ma cut it and let us in. Born to win, I committed sin with a see-through lens. I filled up all my pockets, now you get a pocket to pick.
Thank God I'm alive and rich. No lie, I survived the trench. Pay my tithes, living marvelous. That's the reason I don't talk of this.
Hand bit it like a carpenter did it. Shoot 'em bullets out the cars for this. Tattoos and the scars for this. Remember when we used to ball fits? Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the winner's dance. But this is a different holy ground when I'm on the gram. They hit me, they give me adrenaline. Their demons is making me sin again. I need to change how I'm living in. Take too much money to get rid of them. We did it, kid, we did it. I love when she playing submissive. I need to finish my mission. I need my kids to be Christian. All of my hits to be hidden. All of my people, they listen. Who gon' come make us a difference? You know I fit the description. My man had to die for this. Somebody gotta die for this. Whole city finna ride for this. Say a prayer, we need God for this. And we still living marvelous. Pray for people in the war for this. And then make a new law for this. Before we ever get caught for this. We got everything that we want. I'm with Elon Musk eating lunch. I bought a new crib at the space station. I can park my rocket in the front. And that money coming in a bunch. I done had a feeling and a hunch. I'ma win whenever I say when. I got too much power in my tongue. I got horsepower in the trunk. We too tough, they too punk. Thought I was coming and I ain't do nothing. I was just scared, niggas, that was fun. Taking awards since I was young. I go to war, just me and my gun. I'm with it all when we in a crunch. A real king gon' stand in the front. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be superheroes when we finish this. Pray for the innocent, the Ukraine and the citizens. Look at the shoes that I'm sitting in. Ain't nobody out winning him. They say it's written, but it's written in. This one is different. Yeah.
Boy, we off the grid, this for my kid.
For when my kids have kids. Everything we did for the crib. Everything we did, how we live. All this smoke got a scent. All that smoke Kevin sent. Everything I spoke, what I meant. Never disguised my intent. Lines outside the event. Brought my life out the trench. God, thank God, look what he did. We off the grid.
We off the grid.
I'm off the grid.
Yo, Chow, what up? What's going on, man?
I just tatted my kids. I just do 20 county.
What up, Wicked? That clothes here too?
Me some brand new clothes. Dover Street Market.
Red Dawn?
We just took a ride and shot it. I'm in the Rolls Royce.
Yo, my boy Clip.
I light up blunt and let you try it.
Yo, I'm ready, bro. NFP Friday?
We off the grid, this for my kid. Everything we did for the crib did hit. Flexing with Fizz this trip. Going grid, 6 with G-sticks. Lit nigga 76. Eat squid then. We off the grid, this for my kid. Everything we did for the crib did hit. Flexing with Fizz this trip. Going grid, 6 with G-sticks. Lit nigga 76. Eat squid this then. Master shade, this. Niggas drip with this. You gon' still lit. On the grid, off the grid.
Yo, I think he said something about buy gold or some shit. You heard that? This guy's spinning.
First it go viral, then it get digital, then it get critical. Now I'm not doing no interview. Mask on my face, you can't see what I'm finna do. Had to move away from people that's miserable. Don't wanna link you, I ain't finna sit with you. Ain't finna talk to you, ain't finna get with you. Don't get me mad cause I don't wanna injure you. She put my paintings inside of a living room. Look at the problems and issues I'm living through. They try to drag me, I rise to my pinnacle. Walk through the block like the neighborhood general. Drop me the low and then that's where I send it to. I was forgetting you. Now I remember. Did what I want and I say what I want. And I thought you was with me, like how you get sensitive. I got this God power, that's my leverages. I got this holy water, that's my beverages. I gotta help myself out of selfishness. I just bought a flow out of selfishness. I gotta make sure they know who they messing with. I gotta tell them sorry, they too delicate. I gotta stay with God where the blessings is. I ain't delivering heavenly messages just for the hell of it. Don't try to test me. I keep it clean, but it could get messy. I talk to God every day, that's my bestie. They playing soccer in my backyard. I think I see Messi. And his money could never neglect me. I pray that my family would never resent me. And she fell in love with me soon as she met me. We both got a bad, my bag is more heavy. We had to stop counting, it's getting too petty. You not a real stepper, you can't overstep me. Just sit back and listen and watch how he bless me. He wait till I fall in and pull up and catch me. Your check is too small, you can't pull up and check me. Nah, I get a fast. You feel a weight and can pull up and give me. Might do something wild if I feel like you press me. Nah, I get a fast, see? You feel a way they can pull up and give me. Might do something wild if I feel like you press me. We off the grid. This for my kid. For when my kids had kids. Everything we did for the crib. Pray for what folks them did. Only thing we pray, God forgive. Man, God forbid, bid. He hit one of the kids. Took off his slid. Look what they did. Pray for the crib. Some say Adam could never be black. Cause a black man never shares red.
Yeah, she knows
I think he said buy or sell or something like that too. I think he's trying to break this down. Break this whole down.
The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping, I can boot you, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be bad. Well, alright, tryna fight in the night. Come alive, ain't it sneak? Ain't it?
Shorty only wanted me. Racks on my mind, racks on my sneakers. Took her from the stage straight to the bleachers. Yeah, she always be wildin' when I'm on the beat. I bust her up and cut her off cause I don't need her. Damn, matter it's gon' burn, baby. I can't get invested, just my turn, baby. I jump off the roof and crash the turntables. The tables never turn, we got the scouts. I'ma make a fiend. We pull up, make a scene. Bust down my whole my team. Been doing this shit since a teen. Scream, fiend, 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 fiend.
Alright, man. Oh, bro, I'm back. I'm ready, chat. We're here, man. Wicked, what's up, bro? What's up, my boy? Stay in it. You wanna play stay in it? Stay in it is a banger, bro.
I've been going crazy. I've been on deep end. She not hitting sin. Shots trying to go. I just been hustling my hoes. I just been dripping my hoes. This whole nother level shot. I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road. She tryna fuck on the O. I got this hoe with me. She tryna show me something. I got flows for days. Niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my bro like me, you know we on one. We in the spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe done chose up. Pistol solid in the kitchen, can't get the cold up. What the fuck, these niggas acting like they know it. Double O kick this shit, we told us. Switch out the bed,
Somebody do link chat. Make sure Jerome Powell's in with us is on. Friday. Alright, bro. What up, chat? What's going on? Who's ready? I'm just in my link here real quick. Ace's link. Hold on. Where is my Discord? Zoom links. Where they at? Oh, there we go. I found it. All right. Paste this. Share my screen here. Wow, you guys are quick. I just sent the link like 2 seconds ago. How? How? Alright, man. Oh, bro. Look first, then leap. True. Who made that quote up? Look first, then leap. What that means, chat, is look left before you take your trades. Yo, what up, Martin? Alright, chat. What's going on, bro? Yeah, man, big day today. NFP Friday, chat. So we gotta lock it in. We gotta lock this in. Let me just tear down the audio a little bit. Yeah, man, we gotta lock this in, chat. Pretty big day for us today. Anything can happen today. All right, I think what I need you guys to understand today is try your best not to predict where price is headed. Just adapt the price. That's what you want to do today. The last you want to do is predict and have like a strong, I'll say like an emotional idea, right? And then have that idea for the rest of that session, and then just get clapped on a Friday. So whatever direction price heads into today, right? We'll be heading that direction as well. So if price goes up, we're looking for buys. If price goes down, we're looking for sells, right? We're buying highs, selling lows today, like we usually do every day. But yesterday, you guys can see the NFP on Friday, or sorry, that trade yesterday, we had some drawdown, right? And everyone's like, yo, Don, but aren't these the highs? Like, you know, like why are you buying the highs for? And I'm like, well, there's new high today now, right? So it's like more of a story. Don't predict the highs and lows. Just adapt the price. Price is heavily bullish right now. All right. It can go anywhere. It can literally go anywhere. It can pull back today for money to drive. It can pull back today and continue to drive down for the rest of the day. Who knows, right? But don't predict where price is headed. Just follow price and you'll be fine today. All right, chat. But here's what I'm gonna do. we're gonna do our analysis. Man, this would be a lovely position for a top wick right now, but we're gonna do our analysis, and then we're gonna come back and trade post news. All right, so we're not gonna trade news. We're not gonna have buy stops and sell stops. We're just simply gonna wait for numbers to come out, see how the numbers come out, see how price reacts to those numbers, and then adapt. All right. So it can be anything, buys or sells, it doesn't matter. We're gonna do an analysis for buys and analysis for sells so that we can plan for those ideas ahead of time. All right, chat, that's the idea today. That's usually what we'll do for NFP, but yeah, man, let's get it. Let me just send this link, or no, this link's already sent. Let me just change this audio. All right, man. So chat, hold on. All right, yo. So where is my trading view? There it is. Boom. So first time looking at the chart since yesterday, but you guys can kind of see, right? Like that top wick was definitely formed. So it's like, yeah, we did come down yesterday, right? But like, as we did on Monday, as we did on Tuesday, as we did on last Thursday, last Friday, before price heads down and reverses, you must need a top wick. All right, like how many more times are we gonna have to, like, you know, break that down for you guys to understand that it's like, it's not like we're trying to say there's only one direction for the day. It's like, yes, you can be right about your sells too, but before you're right about the sells, buys are likely to happen to create the top wick, to create that liquidity, right? Like that's like the motion you should be getting into when you're trading, right? It's like you got to be able to understand both situations, both sides, because there's different time frames that would occur, right? As you're moving, there's like a 4-hour top wick that can form, but that can be a sell on like the 30 to 1 hour, right? So understand that from that perspective, and the only way you can understand that is by reading the different time frames, right? So let me show you guys how we'll do that today by using all the time frames to our advantage. It's gonna be a little difficult, a little more difficult today due to the fact that we are all-time highs. So like, you use all the time frames, like the daily and weekly and the monthly already are all-time high. So like, I can't really use those time frames too much to my advantage. But again, you guys can kind of see, right? The monthly here is headed up. You broke above that previous range to the left there earlier this week, or sorry, like a last couple of weeks actually. You broke above in November, right? You've been holding the support all day long, or all year long, I'll say. And there's no next resistance, right? On trading view, there's a high at 2149. That's the high, that's all-time high previously. The high previously on BlueberryMarkets, which is on some of your brokers as well, probably, is going to be 2183. That is the overall next resistance that we have on price marked up, right? 2193 is the high, and 2183 is like the next resistance. So like, yeah, it's pretty bullish though, but understand, you know, at some point we got to pull back, right? That's why everyone wants to grab probably right now. Everyone's like, oh, it's overbought, I want to grab sells down. And you could definitely grab the sells down, but understand the things that needs to print before you grab the sells down, the cycles that needs to be printed, right? In the next step of the process. So you have range, you have continuation, you have liquidity. Right now you're at a point where you're continuing, right? You don't have the range form yet, or maybe you do have the range form here as you drop down, right? Yeah, you do have a range form, I guess, somewhere down here, right? But the next step, even if you were to rip down, is liquidity, right? So with all these time frames being at highs, I can't really do much on these time frames. They're just bullish straight up. But as you drop down to the 30 and the 1, I can show you guys what we could do possibly today. So what we have so far on the 30 and on the 1 is you have a resistance right around here at 2169. All right, so you can probably mark that up. There's nothing really looking left you can do, but you can probably mark that up as your overall resistance. And then to the right, you're gonna have a support being formed right around here. So 2162 is your support now. So what does 2169, 2162 equals? It equals a range, right? Because a resistance support equals a range. So that is the range that you're in right now. You can kind of see the previous range we're in was this range. This is the previous range, right? And then you close above here, now you're up above here. So even if price were to drive down here, I believe today, you're gonna at some given point have to break the highs, right? Even if you were to rip down. So like, you don't have to sit here and predict if price is going to come down now, or price is going to come down the next candle or NFP candle. You just simply wait for it to form, because you have so much range to the downside. Look how much you moved up, right? So like, you've been moving. So all these moves to the left now, if you were to drop down, is going to be considered clean traffic, right? So you don't have to grab the tippity top of the candle. You don't got to grab the tippity top and hold the sells until $0 like you guys want to, right? You can just simply grab the ranges, right? Out of that 10 pips, 20 pips, 100 pips, whatever that is. But you can simply just wait for price to print that direction and then hop on the wave. So as I was saying, even if price were to drop down here, right? Where is your next heavy support? It's going to be down here at 2152.913. That is your next major support. So if you were to head down, that's likely where you'll head down towards after you close below 2162. Now, before you come down towards 62, or before you come down towards 2162 or 2152, you're gonna need to grab a top wick, which means that at some point you're gonna have to see the break of the highs, just like we did yesterday, right? So after you break those highs and then you close below 2162, we could consider sells, right? But it's gonna have to be post NFP, because NFP can come out however it wants to come out. I think today they are expecting numbers to come out, I think positive, if I'm not wrong, right? Let me see. NFP on Friday, they are expecting bad numbers. So if there's been bad numbers, technically gold should drive up, right? I think you have 2 more folders. Let's see what those numbers are expected to come out as. Less than forecast is good. Neutral, so that is bad. Neutral, greater, so neutral, negative, and negative. So numbers show 2 plus 2 and 1 negative, and gold should continue to head up, right? But again, it comes down to how the market reacts to those numbers, because numbers can come out bad for all I know, and price can still drive down, right? So if today, if numbers come out negative and you break the highs, chat, which means that if NFP comes out and does this, boom, right? The moment it does that, right? The moment it flips bearish, you can kind of anticipate that, okay, if this thing broke the highs, it should continue to pop up. There's no reason for you to close back below 2162 now. But if you close below 2162, you can say, okay, cool. Sales are great now to come down towards the bottom of the range, right? So then you gotta wait for a 5 closure below. It might not even be here. This move might occur down here for you for sales. You might not even grab sales from up here for all I know, right? Because NFP might just spike all the way down towards here. But however it comes out, it doesn't matter. You just need to close below the ranges, because no matter what range you close below, you have clean traffic to come down, right? This is a situation for sales. Now, this isn't the only bias of the day. Our bias for a day is bullish and bearish every day. We have considerations for buys, we have considerations for sells, right? Because we're adapting the price. So if we were to drive up though, what would you need to happen? What would you need to form, right? So right now you have what? You have a resistance at 2169. You have a support at 2162, right? That's the range we're currently in. So for buys for me today, I'm gonna need to see, there's actually 2 ways you can go about it. If there was an NFP today, you can take the petty buys up. The petty buys up are more of the buys to grab liquidity in case you were to drive down. You're putting in a win-win situation. So what that means is that, like, if you understand that even if price were to drive down, it's gotta come to grab a top wick, you can probably look for buys at the bottom of the range to grab top wick at 2162. You can trade this range, right? However, there is news, so I don't want to attempt those positions pre-news. I rather wait for news to come out. But the next buys you can probably grab is after bottom wick. So any closure, I guess, above 2169 will be considered more buys to drive up. You can probably say that if you could come down, grab a bottom wick at 2162, break these lows, ideally 2161-ish levels, and then close back above the ranges, you can say, cool, we have more buys to drive up, right? But you see how we're going to wait for that candle to close above after printing a bottom wick? Because there's no reason as to why you should come down, break the lows, and close back above, aside from the fact that you have momentum and liquidity to drive up. If you weren't to close above and you were to come down just to grab a bottom wick, and it were to look like this, then it's bearish, right? You can say it's going to come down and there's no buys. But it's pretty simple today and pretty straightforward. I would say buys above 2169 is pretty clean. Your next target could be based off of your Blueberry target that I have here, which is 2183. If that were to happen, and for the sells, just a simple closure below 62 or a simple closure below 52 to come down towards 44, and maybe even further down towards like 40-ish, right? But these are the ranges that you have marked up here, chat. So all you're doing really is you're trading the ranges, you're waiting for price to print, and then you're hopping on the wave. It's pretty simple today. If you make it simple, if you sit here all day and predict where price is going, it's gonna be a very tough day for you. But you know, we never predict where price is going. We're always adapting the price. So whatever the numbers come out as, we'll hop on that wave and then we'll grab those positions, right? I do believe though today that volume will shift in between 840 rather than 830. I could be wrong, but I do believe it's gonna be a little delay after NFP until you shift into an actual direction of the day. And then post 830, or sorry, post 9, you should have pretty straightforward direction. So you can trade the 8:30 to 9, or you can wait for 9 a.m. to close, the 4-hour candle to close, and then have direction for the rest of the day. Because I'm pretty sure no matter where you go today, either bullish or bearish, you're gonna drop that direction for the rest of the day. So it's either gonna be, again, your positions at 8:30 to 9, or after 9 if you want to be a little safer, wait for the price to move and then take your position accordingly. All right, chat. But you guys will see everything that I do today, just like you guys did yesterday, and audio NFPs. All right. So Should be a pretty straightforward day from what I'm seeing. Just it's gonna require a lot of patience. It's gonna require a lot of emotions that you're gonna have to do your job on and get rid of, right? And not get emotional and not get FOMO'd into your trades. But if you can deal with that today, you'll be fine and you should have a pretty good week or a pretty good ending to the week, like we had. All right, but that's the day, chat. That is the day, man. Yo, thanks for tier, what is that, tier 3 Luco, appreciate that, man. Luke official low. Luke official O. Thank you, bro. All right, man. All right. Yeah, man. 8:35 chat. 8:30. Sorry, not 8:35. 8:31 a.m. is like after 8:31. You should be having potential for positions, right? 8:31 to 9, and then 9 to 10. But I don't think we'll be here past 10 today. I doubt it. I'm pretty sure there's enough volume for us to drive before that time. Therefore, we should be out and about beforehand. All right, man. But yesterday, chat, look at that position, chat. Like the way we closed off, right? It's like we also anticipate that we could come down towards that level there. I think we mentioned yesterday at the end of the stream that if you want to hold this position, there's a high chance you likely would play out still, but it's going to be a couple of hours and you might see some more drawdown. So I'd rather get out now where I did and then wait for that pullback and then look for more positions tomorrow. But obviously tomorrow is today and you've already moved up anyways, right? So we didn't get that, but that was kind of why we closed off yesterday at BE, because we kind of anticipated us to range a little bit. And then we had that pullback straight down to 5-4 levels, which we mentioned because we're in this range, right? And then after doing so, we closed above here and drove. But I wouldn't have held that, to be honest. It was a little early in the day, sure, but it was so late. We just kind of anticipated price to kind of pull back a little bit in range until like the Asian session, right? So it's either get out now, break even, or wait like 6 more hours, be more drawdown, and then get out on profits. But it was totally up to you yesterday. It's up to you, man. Yo, 2 months. Thanks for the 2 months raise. Appreciate that. Machine. Boss, make sure today I lost it. That's your fault that you lost yesterday, though. Like, we didn't lose, right? We understood the risk. We understood the stop loss. Everything that I did was on the screen. You lost maybe on that trade if you took it, maybe because you had a different stop loss or because you had over leverage or something. But there was no reason to lose in that trade at all, unless you just did it with your analysis, which is fine, right? Like that doesn't mean you did anything wrong that day, but you can't really say that position that we took was a losing position. So those are drawdown, right? But nothing that we didn't expect. I was thinking yesterday, like, chat, how many more times are we gonna have to go in drawdown for you guys to understand that drawdown is part of trading? Like we've been in drawdown for the last 4 years, right? Drawdown is not a bad thing. It's just your analysis, your stop loss is based upon a level, and price could head down towards those areas. But as long as you understand why price is doing what it's doing, like there's no surprise about it, you know. But some people feel like there's in drawdown is like the worst thing ever. Like you shouldn't be in drawdown in trading, and those are the ones that are trying to be perfectionists. And when you're trying to be perfectionists, it doesn't really work out long term. Like can't escape drawdown. Not saying that, you know, drawdown we do it on purpose. Like it's just, it's part of trading, man. Unfortunately, this is part of trading. Just like how I take losses, just like how I take wins, just like how I go on streaks, right? It's all part of trading. You can't avoid these things, man. Can't. But what you can do is get better over time at dealing with the drawdown, at dealing with the losses, at dealing with the wins, right? Don't celebrate your wins. You won't dwell on your losses. If you don't dwell on your losses, you won't dwell on your drawdowns, because you'll be very confident, because everything you do is based off of your logic and not your emotions, right? But it starts off with a win. Are you able to control your emotions during a win? Because that's the easiest time to get to lose your shit, right? People get cocky. People get I don't know. You feel like there's a superpower coming in you, right? I get it, but you have to maintain your emotions throughout the wins. Like, maintain your emotions throughout the losses. What trading is. Trades taken? Oh yeah, I got you. BESD chat. Now let me delete that. Trades taken. We have no trades today yet. We're just waiting for price to print here. I got you. The problem is with prop firms, there's a 5% max drawdown limit. Okay, so risk, if you have a max drawdown limit of 5%, then risk like 1% per trade. You have 5 trades till you hit. You have 5 straight trades until you hit the max drawdown. How much is this wick here? 17. Not bad. Yeah, man. Post news trades would have been ideal, but I do not want to take a trade post news. But this would have been the petty position I was talking about earlier, right? I think this is a nice petty position if that wasn't for news, because you can just anticipate that we're gonna come up to grab a top wick. It's the same thing that happened yesterday too. I think around here, the buys from here and up, same idea. That no matter what price does, it's gonna have to break the highs at some point before it decides to drive in whatever direction. Yeah, that 4 candle is flipping bullish too. Let's see what news does, chat. I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to break the highs though. Even if numbers come out bad or negative or positive, whatever it comes out as, at some point you have to see a tap into 6.9 before driving bullish or before driving bearish. That's the range you're in, right? This is the range you're in right now. So if the next step of the range is to grab liquidity, right? If you grab liquidity down, amazing. You can push up. This is liquidity down. If you grab liquidity up, then this is amazing. You'll grab the sells down, right? But you'll see that range fill likely, even if you were to drive up and down based off of that idea. News here, chat, in like 7 minutes though. So you have the comics open right now. I think it opened up 2 minutes ago. We can't do much again. We gotta wait for news, but in about 7-8 minutes here, 9 minutes, we should be getting some positions. If you're gonna have buy stops and sell stops, good luck. Wish you the best. I'm just gonna watch from the sidelines until post news. What if prices move at all? It might not. It might not. It might come in a little late. I think even if you don't move during NFP directly at 8:30, you're gonna move eventually today. Like you're gonna see direction prints. Either it's post 8:40 or in post 9, but you'll see direction print. The reason why I don't think news will move too much directly at 8:30 and it'll move a little later is just because you've been moving a lot without news, right? So in terms of news, I don't think it will have too much of an impact, but I think it will bring volume, right? That'll slowly shift in, and then it'll be a very agro day today, eventually at some point. I could be wrong, but I'm not expecting like a huge spike off of news. I'm expecting a move after news to be a huge move though. Yo, Don, a prop firm that I used when Migrator lost my account and they have no refund policy in it and was up 2% on a challenge account and threatened to ban and block. What to do? Why'd you get blocked though? Like, what was the reason? If they block you due to the fact that they said your trades are similar to someone else's trades, just leave them, bro. It's not good funded. Like, a funding company shouldn't be able to there's no right way of being profitable, right? So funding companies, what they do is they choose how you want to be profitable, and they choose it based off of the same 10 Instagram rules that everyone just talks about every day and speaks about on social media. And then if you go against those rules, fuck, man, you're not a profitable trader. Unfortunately, you trade this way, you trade that way, you aren't profitable. We gotta, take out, get rid of your account, your funded account. You gotta terminate your account. And it's like, it tells you a lot. It tells you a lot about funded. It tells you a lot about Instagram and social media and the way they teach you how to trade. It's actually crazy. But I'll say, man, if funding companies keep doing that to you, just go live. And even if it takes longer than a live account, at least you know that your broker won't fuck you over. Oh, yeah, it shouldn't fuck you over, right? You can trade however you want on a broker. Even if it's not a lot of capital, at least build the skill, right? You're still building the skill either way, like on a funded versus a live account. You're still developing the same skills, trading the same way. And over time, it just pay off. But Yeah, man, it's tough if you're unfunded. Yo, thanks for the 299. Appreciate that, my boy. Five minutes chat for news here. NFP chat predictions. Yo, Reza, let's do a prediction chat. Let's do a NFP buy or sell. What do you guys think? We got 1,000 volts there, bro. That's crazy. Thousand votes. What do you guys think? What was that bond wick there? What did I give you? 25? It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Where's gold going for NFP? There you go. Up or down, chat. Answer the poll. Wherever the poll shows, I'll take. No, I'm joking. Where's both? There's no both, man. Keep them polls coming. Well, Daniel, congrats on your funded challenge pass, man. I don't have to know. Say, man, I don't know either. I don't trade until I see direction. So I'm going to hold out, watch how numbers come out, and then adapt to those numbers, right? I think that last NFP we did the same thing, chat. If I'm not wrong, I think last NFP we did, what day was it? February 2nd. So on that day, what did we do? I'm pretty sure we won that day. We did on stream. We did 16 pips that day. 8:30, right at 8:32. So not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. Yo, what's the streak right now, though? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did I change that? 14. Yeah, I did. Cool. Three 3094. All right, chat. You have news there. In about 40 seconds, okay? Again, if you're gonna have buy and stuff, yo, thanks Orchid for the 499. I just knew it was 499. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Yo, chat, if you're gonna have buy and sell stops, just be aware of slippages, be aware of things that you can't control, because being a retail trader, right, we can't control those things. But I wish you guys the best of luck. I'll watch you guys from the sidelines. All right, you go first. We'll hop in after. 19 seconds. Whatever you want to take, according to your analysis. Just trust your analysis. Don't trust mine. Always trust yours. Okay, numbers came out. Cool. So, or news came out here. All right, so we're pushing down. We're pushing down pretty heavy. We are currently pushing down. You're re-breaking the lows. Can you flip here or will you re-break the lows there? How'd it come out? Yo, who won that poll, by the way? Buys or sells? Because that was the one there, I guess. That was a push. That might not be the direction for a day, chat. Like I said, I think direction will come after news, but that might not be the direction. You might have direction coming shortly here. Wow, look at that pull. Breaking the highs, breaking all-time highs now. Man. Yeah, so what we could do probably is either re-break the highs and anticipate buy stops, or we could wait for a 5-minute closure and take the buys up. It's not too bad as well. These flips weren't too bad here, right? This flip here as you flip bullish wasn't too bad at all. But let's see here, because your next resistance shows you that it's going to be 21.83. So that's the range you have price until. But super bullish right now. This is why you don't predict where price is going, but rather adapt to price, right? And for all I know, this might not be direction for a day just yet. You might end up closing back below the range, right? But I'm going to wait for a 5 closure and anticipate more positions afterwards. But so far, this is looking pretty good for potential positions here at 8:35 chat. Man. Yeah, 2183 is next area of resistance. Just got 41 pips. Nice, nice, nice. Good shit. Good shit, man. We got 2 minutes left. The thing about traffic is like, yeah, what like the only thing that I based my traffic off of, chat, was gold to the left. Like that's about it. Like on Blueberry, there's nothing else I can base it off of. Like if your next target at 83 is like 91, you have so much range to go up as your next area. But I'll wait for this 5 to close first before I anticipate anything. 83 on a dot too. Look at that on a dot. Like I drew this level up yesterday, but on a dot as a reaction. Now you have a new resistance here. I don't think it matters anymore. I don't think you'll come back down towards 69 here, especially if you close this steep, unless it pulls back and leaves a wick fill, then sure. But if it could continue to pull back here, I would love if it can pull back the last minute, because if it's pulling back now, it might continue to push up the very last couple of seconds of the candle, and therefore the next candle you might get a bottom wick. But it continues to pull back into the very last second of the candle, then the next candle should open up the bottom wick, and then that buy stop right there should be good for you. Pretty clean, man. Pretty clean. Yeah, anything above here should be good. 70 levels. But Don, why are you buying the high? You took 20 pips on sells and hopped out 2 seconds. Yeah, sells or buys would have won. But I think again, I explained for the sells earlier too. Like even if price were to drive down, right? Like even if price were to do this today, like it can still happen. But even if we were to do that, it's gonna come up and break the highs first for a top wick, right? Same analogy we had yesterday and like the rest of the week. It's just price action, right? So like people who are on sells, like it may still come down, right? It may still, for all I know, flip bearish on this 1 hour candle, for all I know, and just continue to drive down. If it does do that and it breaks below 21.56 today, you know where it's going next, right? You know that's gonna go all the way down towards 21.40 and such. But until it does that, there's no sells just yet. It's straight bullish right now still. Okay, 20 seconds chat for potential positions here. This wick fill is how big? 70 pips. So if we're coming down here, depending on how the candle looks, the very last second as it closes, depending on how that moves, I'll be waiting for, it's either we wait for a bottom wick or we don't wait for a bottom wick. But I'll let you guys know what it is, depending on how this 1 minute candle closes there. All right, cool chat. So I'm gonna get in a buy position here. Gonna Right, where's my mouse? I'm getting a buy position here, chat. I can enter. All right, so go on buys there, chat. As you flip bullish here, anticipating that this wick is gonna get filled. So TP is gonna be just a wick fill, to be honest. And then stop loss is gonna be below this candle low here. All right, so that's a stop loss. TP. Actually, no. You know what? For TP, I'm not gonna even place a TP just yet because for all I know, we might come to all-time highs. What I will do is manage risk accordingly. So, like for instance, like right here, I'm gonna close half my positions here. Or I'm gonna move stops to break even here. Not close half just yet. It happened way too quick for me to close half. What was that push there? 20 pips? Wow. Okay, so that was too quick for me to close half at. But break even hit. The anticipation was that you should come up to fill the wick. If that would be a bit slower, we would have closed half probably and moved stops to break even and would have got break even at 10, I think. But it didn't do so. It just kind of came back afterwards to BE. It's fine, but you do have a new high here, so there's no reason to hold this trade now, right? You do have a new high, so for all I know, price could come down to create a steeper wick. But that's BE minimum on that trade. If you close half, congrats. That if you were quick enough, the moment I saw I think like 6K, I'm like, okay, close half, boom, came back down to BE. But we'll wait for this next 15 to close now at 8:45 and look for positions 8:45 or maybe even 9 a.m. All right, but that was it. That was the only attempt I could have done there. And even if that was quicker or slower, it doesn't matter. Speed doesn't really matter. It comes down to what price is doing, right? So even if this were to be like a 20-hour move, I would have done the exact same thing though, because the flip, there's no reason to reflip and break the lows aside from the fact that you might come down to create a steeper bottom wick, all right, chat? But I wasn't gonna look to close full there or anything like that. I was looking to close half and then break even minimum. I would have attempted all-time highs, to be honest. But it could still flip, it could still drive. But I think waiting for the 9 a.m. closure would be more ideal here at 9 a.m. Okay. But no drawdown on that trade though. I think if you got in, I mean, break even should have been the most minimum you could have done. And some of you guys might have had a better entry than me because you probably entered when I was coming down already, right? But yeah, man, that is gold for that day so far. We'll wait for 9 a.m. next. Wait for the 4-hour closure. It really comes down to how strong this 4-hour candle closes. But assuming that this 4-hour candle closes bullish the way it is, we'll attempt the exact same entries we did yesterday. We'll anticipate the wick fill up to fill the rest of the range up, and then anticipate all-time highs next, whatever that is, right? And hold runners. But that's in 20 minutes here. Slight chance we might get a trade at 8:15. I don't think we will, but we could possibly do so in 7 minutes. Let's see how the candle closes. All right. I do believe though for the 15-minute closure, I would like to see a steeper bottom wick because usually the last 15-minute candle of the 4-hour candle usually tends to pull back. So I would like to wait for a bottom wick. If that candle in the 15-minute could come down towards like 2170 and then create a bottom wick there, we can probably attempt a wick entry there. Right. That's the only way I can see myself taking an entry at 8:45. Aside from that, it's gonna be 9 a.m. chat. All right, man. But yeah, we got to hit BE, but what can I do, right? 9 times out of 10 or 10 times out of 10. That's the exact thing I would have done every time. I wouldn't have waited for price to come down to create a steeper wick before holding it towards TP, right? So even if this thing is coming up to fill the wick, I would have done the exact same thing. We would have had the result any other day. But definitely no sells just yet though, chat. It's gonna be a little tough. I think sells today would be better off below 21.56 if you were to break below there. If you even were to break below there, because if you break below there, you're going all the way down towards wherever next range is, but you have so much range to the downside, right? So don't worry about taking sells here. You don't gotta be perfectionist. You don't gotta have the most wickedest entry to take sells down. You just wait for price to print sells and then hop on the sells because you have so much room today. All right, man. That's the day, chat. That's the update, and that's what we do next. So let me just go update trades taken here actually. Gold buys BE. Gold is crazy. Yeah, it's volatile right now, man. It's super volatile. Like I saw, like by the time we entered, I just saw profits instantly, and then just back down instantly, and then I guess a steeper top wick was what happened, and then you pushed up. But even if price were to like open up with a steep wick first, right? I mean, it was the area we intended to take positions at. So like after it breaks the highs, what happens is that like you have a high now, right? And usually when you re-break the low, it comes down to create a steeper low. So I didn't know whether or not the second time you broke the low, which the BE point, was going to be a tap into this range or even this range for all I know. I couldn't tell where that was. I guess it was just here, and this is the new support that just got formed on price. If we had a wicker entry, sure, but I think even if we had a wicker entry, man, like what would have happened was we would have created a high here, right? And then we would create a low. So then we would have probably had a buy stop on the break at the highs instead of taking the flip instead. So we would have had a later entry if it were to come down. Sorry, if we were to wait for this bottom wick to happen, it would have been like around these areas here. But I guess we gotta wait now. 4 minutes for a 15 closure. Crazy how you wouldn't wait for a bottom wick. It comes down to the situation. Like in this situation here, as price was kind of finishing off the candle. I'll show you a live example of it soon. I'll show you off of this 5 probably. I'll have to wait this 5 closes in about 40 seconds. Like or even the 1 minute here. For instance, like you have a 1 minute closure here, right? Look at the way it's moving right now. The last couple seconds. What's the next candle gonna do? It's like it'll pop up on a 1 minute without a bottom wick. Right? There's a pop of a bottom wick. But when a candle starts to pull back the very last minutes of the candles, right? Let's say like the very last, it pushes up and the very last second it pulls back and it leaves a wick. You're likely the next candle likely is to come down for a bottom wick first and then the flip. But in that situation here, I said how I'll wait for the 1 minute and I'll base it off of the 1 minute candle, right? The 1 minute candle was already bullish, so I wasn't anticipating a bottom wick. I was kind of anticipating just like, you know, continuation of a push up. So therefore, we didn't wait for that steep of a bottom wick. We wait for like maybe like a 2 pip bottom wick or something like that. But that's like a live example right there of the 1 minute time frame, right? If this kind of were to pull back, this would have created a bottom wick before ripping up. But since the candle didn't pull back, it just closed above. The next candle's likely gonna drive without bottom wick. But every situation is different. But man, we are pushing up here, chat. It is super bullish. Super bullish here. Let me go ahead and mark up what 91 as your next target. After that, I have no idea, bro. So if we can get positions before 91, that'd be amazing. But after that, I got no clue. No clue. But you gotta wait for wick fills though. You can't really trade all-time highs. Like if you get a breakout, you gotta wait for a pullback wick fill and then take that wick fill up. Man, if you caught the pushes from here and up, congrats, bro. Like, great read. The flip here wasn't too bad. I was looking at it, but by the time I even blinked, it just kind of popped. They flipped so fast when NFP came out, right? It just hovered here and then just boom. The advantage when you had going up was like 60. I would have loved if we could have tapped like 52 first. You know, if we tapped 52 first, I probably would have been more insistent in taking the buys off the rip at 6.4. I think only came down towards 5.6. I wanted to see the entire range fill, which was this. Give it like 2 minutes, chat. All right, 2 minutes for closure in the 4-hour candle. Yeah, man. 91 is your next area target. If you can pull back towards like maybe, you know, 82, then we have that wick fill from 82 up towards like 85 and then TP 86. Should be out and about if you get positions though. But Don, you bought the high yesterday. You bought the high yesterday, Don. There's a high there yesterday. You don't buy highs and sell lows, Don. You don't do that. According to Instagram, that's the wrong way to trade. Yeah, man. Let's see. If you had 2 bills, would you put in a broker with leverage? I'll try to fund it out. But do you have the skill for funding though? Like how long have you been trading for? Have you been consistent? Right? If you haven't been consistent yet, I'll say save the 2 bills and go on a demo or something. Or go like deposit 50 bucks into a live account and trade that account for a year. And then grab the skill after a year of progression of consistent results. And then, you know, after that year, you probably have more money anyways, right? So you can either go live or go and buy a bigger funded account. Put like a quarter of that into like a live account, trade it as if it was like $1 million, and then, you know, go live eventually. This account's pulling back, right? So yeah, chat, this 15 close. If we can get a bottom wick here, man, this would be amazing. Earlier I said how I wanted to see level at 70, but I think in this case, as long as the 15 can come down and grab the lows of I'll say like 74. We can probably grab a buy stop above 80. It may not, right? It may not create a bottom wick, but if it can do so and flip, we'll take the buys up. But I do want to wait for a bottom wick. If it's a 9 a.m., then I wouldn't wait for a bottom wick because the 4 count is so bullish. But with the 15 closure, I would ideally want to wait for that because you could pull back here. You know what's funny? I didn't check the numbers today, but mix, positive. $2,200. I have 2191 because the next resistance. I don't know how you have 2200, but I guess it's just a rounded number. Like there's not much I can really do after 91, to be honest. If it flips there. Yeah, tap that bottom wick area at 78. I want to see 74 chat, and we might even have wick enters at 74, to be honest. But this, if you have FOMO, close your eyes because it did create a bottom wick, and this could be the bottom wick for us to drop up on this 15-minute wick fill. So if you have FOMO, you know, close your eyes or something. You wouldn't want to look at it just yet. BB. Yeah, BlueberryMarkets pricing. It's for education. You knew that, the Wix. You saw that. Don't you have the same high as me? Wait, never mind. You don't have the same high as me. Especially on a Friday. Yeah. True. Yeah, 83 levels chat. I got off of amount of resistance. 91 was a high, like the all-time high. So like that's what I based it off of. But 83 was like the blueberry resistance. If you scroll all the way to the left, like a very minor level. But that's probably why you saw a reaction there, because of that minor level. You likely might range until 9 a.m. though. So the chances of us getting positions here, chat, are a lot lower here. Ideally, you would have wanted to see the bottom wick and then flip right away, but this thing kind of create a bottom wick, create a high. So if it comes down, you might see a push into 74. I don't know if we can take wick entries anymore because it might just finish off for the rest of the 4-hour candle. It might pull back to the end of the 4-hour candle, and then 9 a.m. same thing, wait for a bottom wick and then buy up to fill the wick, and that should be the play going forward. That's D's 15-minute candle though, super D's. The 15 closes the way it is though, with no top wick, then you know what to do the next 9 a.m. candle, right? We'll be in a situation to say, yeah, no matter what price does here, it's got to create a top wick before coming down. You have another advantage point at 9. The app call, there was a calendar. It was TradeZilla. TradeZilla, that's the journaling app. You trade Asian tonight? There's no Asian session tonight. You can be there. People won't pop up though. Can't have FOMO if you don't have no money. Fuck man, that's the worst. That's a different type of FOMO. How do you trade from yesterday all the way to 2180? Manage positions, so I was risk free. Sheesh, man. I mean, shit. Congrats. You got a crazy runner. If you're not buying a break at the 15-minute highs, you could, right? But I don't know if it's gonna flip. I'd rather wait for the 9 a.m. closure now because you have 10 minutes left. If you were to create a bottom wick earlier and then you were to flip right away after tapping 74, I would have taken a wick entry here, because then you have the advantage from here to here, right? Which would have flipped. But that already happened, so that there's no more advantage point there. And if you have 10 minutes left until the count closure, I might as well wait for the 1 hour closure just to confirm if we're gonna close above 70. And then 9 a.m. you know, once the 1 hour closes, we can take a buy position from here on up. But I believe it could likely range until 9 a.m. Yeah, we're all witnessing history. It's something that, like, this is all-time highs. Fuck, man. If this 4 count closes bearish, chat, we know what to do 9 a.m. And it might be better for us too, right? I was never like saying like sales are impossible today. Even earlier, I'm like, yo, chat, this might not be the direction for the day. So keep that in mind, right? Like the 4 count could still close bearish for all I know. And if it does so, we know what to do because we planned for it. But it could be anything. It could be buys or sells post 9. I don't know. It could be either or direction. Your direction hasn't settled yet. I'll say direction will settle once the new 4 candle closes and then once you get a bottom wick. That's when direction will settle. Because then you have that support being formed as you get the bottom wicks and you say, okay, cool. There's no reason that price should flip bearish again because it's creating structure on those bottom wicks in the higher time frame. And therefore the move should just continue up. Right? So until like the 4 closes, until you get bottom wicks, there's no direction confirmed for the day just yet. What was this? Happened to what? 72, most recent support? Would have given you 40 pips? Wow, that's a 40 pip push. Insane. This would have been 75. What was the point of the bottom wicks before taking position? It's just in some situations, if price hasn't grabbed liquidity yet, you're likely to need to see liquidity. But bottom wicks is just another way of saying, yeah, liquidity basically. That's all that is. It's just an extra confirmation, an extra step that you kind of just gotta wait for. And it's not obligated, right? Price isn't obligated to make one every single time. It's just like if you were to set those things in play, like if you were to set, okay, I need a bottom wick before entering, and that's part of your checklist. That's what you want to see before entering. It's just an extra confirmation. If it doesn't print that, then you're not entering, right? But over time, you can set that boundary for yourself. Like, okay, every time I enter, I need a bottom wick. And over time, you can sample size them more often and realize, okay, in some situations, I might not need a bottom wick, but some situations I may, right? Like today, we didn't need a bottom wick, but other days we would. So you get better at seeing when bottom wicks would form, when they wouldn't form, based off of how price moves, based off of how price closes, right? Based off of how the candle finishes off the last minute. So things like that will come into factor over time. But if you're like brand new to like trading price action and candles, just wait for a bottom wick every single time, and then you'll build a habit of waiting for things to occur before entering, and that also helps you with your discipline as well. But yeah, that's how I'll go about it. Because at one point, all we did was wait for bottom wicks. Like in 2022, 2021, if you're here for the streams, like all the time waiting for bottom wicks. And then now we don't wait for bottom wicks all the time. We just take it off the rip, depending on how it looks. What'd you guys do today, though? What'd you guys do so far for positions? The side challenge account? I've never had a side challenge. I have a $1,000 account that I'm running. Yeah, that account's running with this account. 10 pips, 15 pips. Also, don't feel bad if you only caught 10 today, chat. Honestly, like if I closed half in that position, I would have got 10 anyways. I might have caught it a day after that. So price might have moved like 300 trips today, but you caught 10. You still won. You still follow your plan, right? You might have a little bit of FOMO. You might be like, wow, I only got 10 out of this whole entire range, but it doesn't matter. Like, this day won't happen for a very long time again, or days like this, or months like this even. So it's not, the markets will shift back to normal at some point, and your 10 pips will be more valuable. So don't stress it if you only caught 10 and price moved 300. If you caught runners, then shit, amazing. Right, that's a bonus for you on a Friday. Call it a day. You shouldn't be here if you got more than 10. Don't get greedy, right? Yeah, Monday, you have the whole month to trade. You got whooped. All right. As long as you didn't full leverage or full margin, you'd be all right. If you full margin, that's your fault. No one else's fault but yours, right? But hopefully you didn't. What do I have to the left here? Nothing, right? No data whatsoever. Let me see. Yeah, so that Aether level is based off of that. I can't go down to the 1 minute, can I? Oh, I can. Oh man, this is a game changer. Okay, so 69 is a closure above. Anything above there fills the range at 83. So anything above there in the 4 should fill that range as well. If anything, if not the range and you have a minor resistance here, you can probably put that as your advantage point next. I could delete that. I don't know what that is, but yeah, advantage point at 21.676 next. So minor level, B point, all that good stuff. Yeah, this is good. Or kind of closes above the range. You can probably take an advantage point to 76. You're risk free by then, even if price were to reject. That's also a top wick somewhere, I'm pretty sure as well. Let me see. Yeah, a top wick at right here at 81. You can say it's kind of based off of that level too. Put that there. Yeah, so you're, I mean, the new 4-hour candle, if even if it were to drop down, let's say like you still need a top wick here, you can probably anticipate the buys up and then have your TP set at 81, have your advantage point set at 74, and then your risk free after that. It just needs to close above 70 though in 3 minutes. This should be pretty decent. As for bond wicks, I don't know if you need one, depending on how the candle closes. You might need one actually. If it continues to push here, then yeah, but if it continues to push, the buys won't happen, because if you push further, you're down below the range. Therefore, there's no buys at 9. So you kind of gotta close the way we are, or reject, which means that the next candle shouldn't create, or sorry, the next candle should create like a minor bond wick if anything. Does that make sense, chat? Think about it. If price were to come down now, right? Going back to that logic that we have of bond wicks, if price were to drive down like this, right? It's gonna push with no bond wicks, right? So if it does this any further, it's going to close below the range. Therefore, there's no sell. So the only way for the buys to be possible here is if you pull back. And if you pull back, this is how it's going to look. Right? It's going to leave a wick. So therefore, the next candle should come down for a mini bond wick, tapping like 70. And then by the time it comes down and tap 70, that's your new 4-hour bond wick. And that's your buys up. And then you'll probably push up towards 74 minimum, have a reaction at 81. And then after that, it's up to price on what it wants to do. But that's your position for 9. If you plan ahead like that. If you were to plan ahead. I'm more confident about the daily candle flipping, but I got my profit though, so probably no trades at all. Day could flip, yeah. If the day flips, they chat like anything below 855, like 52 today, it straight sells down, right? Like even if like the 4 count closes above, you can still get the possibility of sells down for all I know. But if the 4 count were to close respecting, then yeah, like the higher chance you do have for sales to come down. And if this is one big fake out, like there's no reason to really break all the highs here if you weren't. If you close below here, there's no reason to come back below. Aside from the fact that you're going straight down and then we have more runners of anything. But yeah, you're not wrong about that at all. Like below 52, where's the day flip? 53? I'll wait for the whole entire flip before I take sells, because you have so much room. You got like 100 here plus extra 280 there. You have so much room. But let's see. I want to see the buys up here first, towards like 74 and 81 here, chat. So let's see how this kind of closes here. But depending on how it closes, I would expect the bottom wick tapping like 70 levels here for us. And then 74 is like BE zone if you were to get a position here. No bottom wick. If the candle closes bearish, again, we can wait for a wick enter, or we can wait for the candle to fill and then wait for the buy sell above the break of the highs. So like for instance, this next candle's open up like this, boom, boom, and then you can have a buy sell above here if you make a new low. All right, so candle opened up, boom, boom, no bottom wick. So what we're gonna do here is probably have a buy stop here, chat, on the break of the highs. Buy stop at 2171.50. Okay, so gone buys there off of that candle, chat. Off of that candle closure, gone buys there. TP is up at 81. Break even zone is gonna be 74. Stop loss is below the zone down here. This is the position that I'm in right now. Okay, my entry exactly was 71.50. So 74 is a pretty crucial level. You want to make sure you manage risk there. That's the level of resistance that we found on the 1 minute chart earlier, looking left. If price were to react, that's where it will likely react next. Okay, but wait for a bottom wick and then had a buy stop above the highs. That's the idea here, that we had here. Yeah, that's it. That's the position off of the 4-hour candle closure, and we also have a 4-hour stop loss too, so it's pretty nice. Can you flip though? I think you flipped, I think twice already. Oh shit, we're flipping now. That was quick. 74, can we tap that? 74 probably like a half closure. But this now is a risk-free trade. Actually, I'm gonna wait for the break of the highs one more time. All right, there you go, chat. So this is now a risk-free trade. Not closing half just yet. I'm gonna close half once it taps 74. Okay, so 74 is like that zone. Or 73.9. All right, right here, chat. I'm gonna close half my positions right here. Okay. All right, there you go. Fuck, took forever. Chat, close half my positions just there at that level at 73. Okay, so this is the idea. Like we literally broke this down, like second by second, candle by candle, flip by flip, or our closure. We anticipate this position at 855. The exact same candle print. We broke down why you need to wait for a bottom wick, why you gotta wait for a steeper bottom wick and such, right? In this situation here, there wasn't much of a bottom wick that you needed, just because even if price were to drive down, you see how these candles are bearish here. Even if you were to drive down, you gotta print a top wick. On top of that, if you have a 4-hour candle wick fill, you have an advantage point. No matter what happens, even if price were to drive down or drive up, you're gonna fill the ranges up before coming down, right? Which means that 74 is gonna get tapped. So that was the idea behind the positions today. All right, so yeah, price can go down now. You guys aren't wrong if you guys talking about sells, but before price goes down, this move must happen first before the sells come down, unfortunately. All right, so now it's just about runners. It's gonna be tough though, chat. Like I don't think we're gonna survive this runner, to be honest, at 74. I could be wrong, but I don't think we're gonna survive 74 because it's a pretty tough resistance. And I believe before coming up further, you're gonna need to see the break of the high, the break of the lows like this. You're likely gonna need to see something like this. But you know what? I'll take the risk-free gamble in case you do rip above. Ideally, you want to see the breakout lows and then the closure back above the range for more buys up, right? So if this is your support here to the left here, chat, this is your resistance up here. You're now going to need a closure above the range. Once you close above the range, you can probably say, okay, probability shows that you have a higher chance to drive. But again, it's either you close above the range or you get a bottom wick before ripping up, and then that's your move. So chances of us getting runners right now are very low, maybe like 20% of getting runners. But if we do survive that, we're in the 85% of getting runners, and we might get all-time high runners today, which is amazing. All right, what a way to end the week though, chat. What a way to end the week off, man. We closed half what? Where was it? We closed half at like around there, like 8, something like that. Let's see, I could micromanage it. I could close another partials if it, I'll say I'll close a 5 lot if it breaks below 72.68, because that's the start of the rejection. Nice. Some days drawdown, some days no drawdown. Why is my cam frozen, bro? Come on. My bad. Sorry, you guys have to see that. Why you do that to me? All right, there you go. Yeah, but chat, if this thing flips bearish here at like 73.13, I'm gonna close 50% of my positions again, or another 5 lot, so I have a 10 lot running. All right, but that's the idea here. We might actually break the highs and close above. What do you have? A minute left or 50 seconds left? Sorry, 8 seconds left. What am I saying? 8 seconds left until a 5 closure. Get ready to close another 5. You break the lows. All right, so yeah, I'm closing a 5 lot here. All right. Or can I close a 5 lot? All right, yeah, close a 5 lot there, Chaz. You break the lows, all right? Because like if you break the lows, there's a high chance you have to drive down, right? Secure more profits. If it flips though, and we survive, amazing. But we're not gonna survive. There you go. So got out. But yeah, chat. That is the trade there, man. We did all we could there. We did everything that we could do in that situation to grab potential runners. I think the peak of this was maybe like, what was this? The peak of this was maybe we saw like 30 pips at most. I don't know how you guys manage that position, but that's what I did there. I manage risk based on probabilities. So like if for instance you come up, 5 minute opens up, you're expecting a bottom wick, right? In this situation, I wasn't expecting us to survive the runner. In case we would though, we'll just micromanage it. So therefore, if that candle were to break below that lows there, we can close in our half lot to secure the full 10. And then if you survive it, it runs, right? But it didn't run, it came all the way down. And so now the buys are invalid. Like the same buys we had earlier are a totally different area of price now. But it's a totally different trade. We're gonna look for more buys now, right? But there won't be buys for me until you get a steep bottom wick. And I think we're done for a day though, to be honest. But you see how we came up and tapped that 686 level on a dot? That was based off of that 1 minute chart earlier that we mentioned, right? It's a very micro level, but you can see how those micro levels are very key when you're at all-time highs, because that's all the data that you have in front of you. That's all you can base it off of. But that was very powerful, that 74 level. Super powerful. So this trade here, you know, chat, it was only 10 pips, cool, but the way we broke it down was flawless, like from top to bottom. And after yesterday's hard work of being drawn for like 6 hours, you get 2 trades today, break even, which the first trade, if you close off in profits at, congrats. And then the second trade as well, congrats. That's a W week, man. You can't ask for more. Yeah, you can sit here and be greedy, expect another all-time high, expect another heavy push today, grab your 100 runners. But I'm okay with calling it a week because we had a pretty good week. Like we had a very good week. Let's see. Today we did that, and then for the week we did I think we did like 17k this week. So like I don't know what percent that is. I think that's from let's see, 270 minus 17 is 253. So from 253 to 270, we did 6.7% this week, chat. So honestly, call it a week, you know, move on to the next week. And the whole March is gonna be volatile for you too, so don't even stress if you don't get more positions today, chat. Like don't even sweat it. You could simply just wait for Monday next week, right? Look at the weekly candle closure. You're gonna have a wick fill at some point next week. You know what to do for that, right? But this won't be the last day you move very volatile like the way it is, chat. It won't be the last day. You'll see more days like this. Where's that 74 level base? Go to 958 or something like that, or 858. We broke down the entire resistance that we found. It was off the 1 minute chart on Blueberry. Luckily for Blueberry, I have levels here. If you're on trading, you don't have the levels, but I had a level at 91 for all-time highs. That's where the previous all-time high was. I had a strong resistance at 83, and then I had another level at 74. But you can kind of see all the levels kind of got sort of respected, right? This is a steep forward bottom wick though, man. Holy. But we're done. It might go down from here on out. It might continue to push up. I don't know. I do not know. But this looks very similar to yesterday, where you kind of were bullish at one point, and then you came down to break the lows for bottom wicks. So we'll see what happens here. It should be very volatile for the rest of the day though. If you're gonna trade, good luck, right? Best of luck to you. But that's it for me, man. That's it. That is a 15 straight win. That is a 15 straight win. Let's go ahead and put that trade stake in. Yeah. 4% sold today. Thanks. Good shit, man. Good shit. Don't get greedy, chat, too. Whatever you did today, you know, don't go on Instagram now and compare your results to other people, because it's gonna really demolish your week of profits, and it's gonna make you want to grab more positions, and then you're solely basing off of emotions at that point, and then you might end up losing your whole week of profits, right? So just call it while you're ahead, and then move on to next week. You'll be fine. I promise you the markets will be here on Monday. There's nothing to chase here. But the moment you break that barrier of discipline, right, you're fucked now. The moment you say, okay, you know what? One small lot here, just one small lot, fuck it. Boom. Drawdown happens. It begins. That's when that cycle begins that you always wanted to break out of, right? So you don't want to do that because then you're going to chase that loss maybe, even if it's a small lot size. And if you chase that loss, you might end up blowing your whole entire account on a Friday too. And you're like, fuck, the weekend's coming up tomorrow. It's a Saturday tomorrow. I can't trade tomorrow, so I want to do it all and get it over by today. So you want to make back all of your losses or make back all of your wins by the end of the Friday session. So it's not a good habit to build. It's not a good way to go about things. It won't be worth it long term anyways. Even if you flip your account, you're gonna say, okay, that's okay. I flipped my account last week doing this, so why can't I do it again tomorrow? It's gonna get to a point where it will affect you, right? So it's not even worth it. Nothing to chase. I'm just trying to give my final warnings here before I dip, chat, because I know someone said the way you talk can read my mind. I've been there before. I know how it feels. I know the exact situation we are all in right now. I'm a trader as well. I go through these things as well, but the things that I'm telling you right now are things that keeps me away from doing those things, and that's why I'm still here. That's why, you know, like some guys ask how to get profitable. These things like that is what I'm warning you about. Like, you do not want to get into those bad habits. It's not a good practice. It won't long-term change anything. It won't make you rich. It's not going to work out. But day by day, long-term game, that's what's going to work out. All right, bro. All right, chat, bro. Good shit today, though, man. Like, I don't know. If you're still trading, good luck. I don't think it's a bad idea to continue trading if you haven't gotten any trades yet. It's still very volatile, but I got what I wanted today. I got all my positions that I need to get out of my system. All right. What'd you guys do there, though? You guys closed full? I'm sure everyone managers a little differently there. I did a little differently. I couldn't close half of 5 lot there. But what'd you guys do? Sell scenario, I already gave you the sell scenario. If you break below 2150 53, if you close below that level at 52, you're going straight down towards 2140. But the hard part is if you can't even come down towards there. So I wouldn't look for sells. Yeah, I'll wait for like a closure below like this and then look for sells down, because that's a break of structure, and at that point I'm pretty sure you have enough liquidity and range to drive. And you have so much range below there, man. You don't need to grab like the wick here down to here. Like, you don't need to do that if that's not part of your playbook. $15 straight though, chat. Let's go ahead and put 3 6 20 20. Honestly, aside from this position, chat, the only other thing that I saw today was that flip. Like, this 15-minute flip was pretty clean. Like, that's a position that we've taken in the past before. But I think the reason why I hesitated was, one, because it was too quick, and 2, because it didn't tap into that 5-2 level. If it tapped into that 5-2 level, I would have had more time to think about it, because I was like, okay, it's flipping bearish, bullish here, but I take positions here, and I was thinking about this. I'm like, okay, you know what, fuck it. And then by the time I blinked, it just popped. But that was the only thing that I would have saw today, aside from the buys I took. But we'll grab them next time. Or we'll grab them next time it happens. It wasn't the most perfect today, though. Let me just update this trade taken though, real quick. So we took that first position earlier at 9 a.m. I think, or no, at 8:35. So 8:35. NY session, gold. We took buys, breakout off of the 5-minute closure. We took a wick entry. We attempted a wick entry. Oh, we did 0 pips there. And then we did 3 6 2024. We also did 9 a.m. Did NY open. We did gold. We did buys. We did a breakout. We did a 4-hour small wick entry. We did a full. We did 10 there. Oh, not 100. I wish. 10 there. And let's go to this journal real quick. Do this one. You know what? I'll do this one tomorrow. I missed yesterday's trade. But yeah, chat. That's it. That's it, man. Let's go. Let's run a bit of Warzone actually a little later. I'm gonna probably play a little bit of Warzone at the end of the stream with Kira and everybody, the captain, and TJ, or whoever's on. You guys are down. We only got like 10 pips there, so it's like the goal in Warzone is 10 kills. The new one, both journals, the new one has more detail. Like this one is gonna require like you need to like really remove everything in your schedule that day to record this journal. So yeah, man. Wait, today's the 8th. Why did I put the 6th? I'm tripping. Oh, and then we had the 7th as well. Let me put the 7th. We took B that day, right? Yesterday. Yeah, my MT5 froze. Next thing I knew, that happened to me on NFP before. That happened to me on Hugo's Way, the first broker I ever used. I don't know if they fixed that. I'm pretty sure they did, but bro, like, I got in a position. I done buy stops and sell stops. 828, broker freezes. I'm like, oh no. I didn't know what's going on. I thought that was normal because it was my first time trading, right? And then next thing you know, I open up and then I'm in drawdown, and I blew the account. That's a tough experience on that, bro. Here, I'm pretty sure they fixed up, but that was like 2018 actually on NFP. By the way, chat, I don't know if you guys realize, but I think today marks our 4 years streaming, if I'm not wrong. Let me check. I'm pretty sure it was today or it was like sometime next week, but it was one of these days for sure. 4 years of live streaming every morning, everybody. Oh, 23rd, I lied. Okay, so maybe like in a week and a half, but almost 4 years though of live streaming every single day. Like, you guys have seen my progression from like when I had stop losses that were 10 pips to having stop losses of 160 pips now, to only grabbing 10 pips to grabbing runners. Like, you guys have seen the whole progression. Before the range 1, range 2 breakouts, before the liquidity got added, back when all we did was draw 2 lines, wait for a buy above here, sell below here, and from when things were very simple from the first playbook to where it is now, like, that's evolution. And that won't stop. That is not stopping anytime soon. We're always gonna work to get better every day. And you guys are just here for the ride, so I appreciate you guys though for the support over the years. This channel wouldn't grow without you guys, obviously, but thank you, man. 4 years of streaming. 4 years of waking up at 6:30 a.m. Eastern every day. Waiting for the restock. $6:30 cat. Hey, 6:30, man. All right, chat. Let's go get the zoomies on. We have everybody here still.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Friday.
Yes, sir. It's Friday. I wonder what Wix is gonna say today about Friday.
Good morning. Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. What's up, Jacob?
Howdy. Howdy. Beautiful tried.
Wait, Jacob says that.
Morning. Hello.
Oh, there we go. That came through this.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Friday, man. Can't wait
Great
to call
Friday.
it a week.
Oh,
Play some basketball or something.
hockey tonight.
Oh, you got hockey tonight?
Yeah. We only got 3 skates left, I think.
What's the difficulty?
I
I know you're good. I know you're sick. I just know.
No,
The way your
no,
dad was playing.
I just try hard. We both try hard, buddy. Come on. What's the difficulty level?
Or hockey?
Yeah.
We're like ex-NHL players. What do you mean?
Yeah, but triple A, you know, ex triple A players
Bro.
as well.
So trust me, come out. You'll have fun, man.
Yeah.
It's a good skate. We got guys who can barely skate and guys who literally just came out of the AHL. We all have fun.
AHL.
It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun. We've had levels all across the board, and everybody has fun.
Everybody, even the guys that can barely skate, we just let them go and try and shoot on the goalie too. It's a good skate. It's fun.
Rezi, do you want to start playing hockey with me?
Yeah.
We can teach them
No,
how to skate too.
Bring him. He wants to come too.
You sound excited for it.
Bro, I feel like I get clapped in hockey, I'm not gonna lie.
Hockey's a hard sport. It's like one of the hardest sports I've played ever. Like, it's not even comparable to like anything else I've played. Yeah, it's the first sport where I actually sweat in.
Plus, we have a lot of guys your age too, right? So you'll fit right in. Everybody's good.
Yeah. This guy with the hard sell, huh?
I went to my first hockey game like probably 2 weeks ago. I didn't realize how rough it is.
Wait.
People get beaten up,
NHL
like
game?
full on. No, ice hockey.
Oh, yeah, it's crazy. Yesterday's game, at least in Boston, was rough.
It's the only
the ref's
sport
just
that
like, yeah, let him have
continues to
it.
allow like fighting like that. Like you can't straight up scrap someone in football.
They allowed in UFC though.
Well, imagine that.
Like, yeah, these guys go crazy. It's like,
Who is this? What is this? Rangers? Oh, Rempe?
Yeah,
Yeah, this
Rempe.
kid's a dog.
like this is allowed. Like the refs say, okay, go ahead.
Which team was this?
Yeah,
Winnipeg?
Yeah.
Yeah, Olivier kind of beat him up a little bit.
This one got
Welcome
the
to the
black eye,
league.
no? This is the one.
Yeah, right there. Oof.
But think about them fighting, chat. It's like a classy fight. It's like they fight and like, okay, respect. It's not
Yeah,
like
they
they
always-
fight and then they're like.
There's a lot of
beef.
shaking hands after.
Yeah, like they fighting. Are you good now? Or, and, like this one right here. This is one of
They even have mic'd up fights where you can hear the guys say like, yeah, good fight.
Yeah,
On the ground.
I like the goalies fighs. I always find
Those
those
are the
nice.
best.
Because like you're really just beefing the guy like the furthest away from you.
The best.
Bro, chat. Try fighting on ice, bro. It's not easy to like sit there and like stand on ice like that. It's hard.
Yeah, get punched in the
You
face
get
and still keep your
grappled, like-
balance.
How to keep balance. I've never been in
Bro,
one.
when I would go skating, my ankles would always get clapped. My ankles would
Yeah,
kill.
you need to build the ankle
Let's see if we
ankle strength. A lot of ankles.
That punch was just straight helmet. You know his knuckles are down here.
Crazy.
Yeah, look, have a look at these. I'll just put the link in the banner chat.
The banter chat. This is on Facebook.
Yeah. I'll come through.
Wait, this is you?
No. So I was watching. I wasn't filming, but I was watching. They come into the middle and then just scrap.
Is this in the UK?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a crazy
What?
crap.
That's sick. That's sick.
That was
I ain't know
better
they had
than
races in
the
the UK.
fight we just watched.
That was way better. The fights usually
I like
in the
that
lower
one.
leagues are way better because they go reckless.
What's that goalie fight for Kieran?
The higher leagues have too much to lose.
Yeah.
They're like contracts, they don't want to get injured.
Yeah.
You know?
It was
today
Price
the
and,
5-letter thing today again.
Boston. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I think so, bro.
Oh wait, no. You guys playing Warzone?
Yeah, I'm down.
It's just I think 10 kills you gotta get.
That's it today.
Yeah, it's just 10 today. How much?
No 50 piece needed.
No 50 piece. Could have been a 70 piece. What did you guys get today? That flip was so clean. They would have given like 70, 80. And,
Yeah, it was a pretty clean flip. It was pretty sweet.
Melange?
Base Melange?
Can avoid a headache. Thank you later. Alright, yo. Good note. I'm gonna do so right now.
Oh yeah, Wix with the free game. You don't need no headaches
Good note.
today.
Need your advice. Done. I had a 100k USD account or 500 USD account, made $100 profit, lost all of them, left with 120 USD, then made all those losses back to 600. You fucked up the moment you made it back. Not because, you know, we don't want you to win, but you see how you instantly lost and you instantly made it back. Like, it's not a good habit to build. Like, that's not long term gonna be a good habit to build. Like, you know, losing your money and then going full margin or going full leverage to make it back. Oh well, yeah, you said you end up being at 30 USD afterwards as well. Fuck, man, if you never flip the account from $500 USD to 700 in the first place, I'm not sure how quick that was. If it was a longer period of time, then that's fair. But if you flipped that within like a couple of days, the moment you did that, that's when you're part of that cycle that you don't want to be part of. So learn to build good habits, right? Learn to not go full margin after you take your losses or go full send, because it doesn't long-term lead to any long-term success. But if you do it the right way every time, right, take a loss, okay, cool, it's fine, on to the next trade, take the same risk, and going forward you'll always be ahead because you're developing a skill, you're developing your patience, and you get rewarded for it long term. So that's what I'll say. That's the advice I'll give you. I've seen it happen so many times. Like, every day I get someone in my chat or in my DMs that just says like, oh, I flipped my account today from, you know, 1k to 20k Don. Like, in 2 weeks, you know, usually they kind of go MIA. Because that's when I start affecting them.
Anytime I flip my account, I was scared to text you because it's like,
yeah, I mean, but how have you been doing though? Like, you haven't been flipping your account, right?
No, I haven't, but I just never did in the past. Like, I wouldn't think to text you. Like, I know you probably do get DMs, but it's just like, because you know, like, bro, you know you're doing something wrong. So it's like, you can't even I can't even hit you up because I know I'm doing something wrong, you know?
Yeah, so, like, what do you expect him to say?
I'm not ever gonna say like bad job or whatever. Like, I'll say, yo, good shit. But in the back of my mind, I just hope that eventually someone would learn. Like, whoever DMs me would just learn.
Yeah, because we're getting such great lessons every day, and I over risked or this or that. Like,
yeah.
It's
like, imagine yesterday if you over risked in that trade with a drawdown, like, you wouldn't have an account to trade today. But
yeah,
if you didn't over risk both days, you would have won yesterday and today, right? Like, would have came on top for the week. So fuck, man, it's a tough battle. Like, my boy flipped his account this weekend. He didn't end off too well. I'm just like, fuck, I wish, you know, just kind of, it's hard too. It's an addiction. Like, you flip an account from, let's say, like $100 to like 20k. You think you're unstoppable. You think you can go to 100k and then 150k. So it's just hard to stop midway. You might think, okay, once I get to 10k, I'll slow down a little bit. I'll take my normal risk trades, but usually it doesn't happen.
I'm real quick.
for real.
Or like how before any trade you say, you know, don't over risk, this and that. And there's
Yeah.
always like 5 people. I blew the account. Earth?
Earth?
No, wait, no T. Early?
Is there not a program that does a wrist match? Magic Keys does that, I think. There's a bunch of other ones.
Yeah, Huss has a video on a free one as well for MT4 or MT5.
Wix is here. He's just, I don't know why he's not unmuting himself, but
Dude, he's getting flowers.
oh, yeah,
He said he was in the line buying flowers.
Oh shit. 5.
Money.
Wow, we are hitting it today.
Currency.
Bill.
Bill?
What up, Elvis? Didn't hear there.
Yo.
Yo.
Jeez.
Wow,
Nice.
it's all greens. What did you say, Elvis?
Where was Forex on that list?
In terms of pips or what?
What position you got?
I took the break of the highs. It was so quick, man. Closed down at 28, and then I took the one we did. So that was that.
Nice.
W.
30 odd, 40 today.
Sorry?
40, around 40 pips. Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
Close the charts.
Yeah, you better. I think if it wasn't for like all-time highs, I would have liked a close fold too. But I really want all-time highs, like to get a runner. Wanted to attempt it.
Yeah. Thing is, it's still good. We were saying on stream yesterday, like it, you know, like if you're sometimes anticipating all-time highs, it's just gonna push like randomly, right? But we're actually getting structure and liquidity, which is very good.
Yeah.
So it's a lot more tradable.
I think Sunday's gonna be huge.
Yeah.
I think you might gap or something Sunday, Monday.
Yeah.
I would not reckon
Should be.
hold, but
Should be a pretty cool weekly open.
yeah, I don't think it's bomb slowing down anytime soon. And even if it does slow down, you're still gonna get like way bigger days than you did in January and such.
Yeah.
Super volatile. What is this though, man? Story. Sorry.
You'd have to somehow change one of the first two letters first.
Fuck.
Free. Buddy.
Yo, Elvis and Raz, do you think we can do the meeting tomorrow at like 1 p.m. instead?
Is it tomorrow?
Or you guys are
I
really
can do
busy?
both.
If not, we can do it today after stream. It's fine.
I'm good for both.
What time after stream? If it's like now, I can probably do it. If it's in like an hour, I probably can't.
So tomorrow at 1 p.m. is good? Like
Yeah, 1 p.m.
afternoon?
1 p.m. is what time?
Or
it should be good
6
for me.
p.m. for you.
Yeah, it should be okay.
It should be a quick meeting, like maybe like 30 minutes.
Yeah,
23
that should be good.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I mean, if it's only 30 minutes, I can do that probably right
Yeah,
after this.
Are you hitting the gym, Don?
I got gym. Fuck yeah, I got gym tonight. I
Oh
got
boy.
calisthenic. It's a calisthenic week. We rotate between calisthenics and
That's the big
what do you
program.
call it?
Weight training?
And weight.
Volleyball?
Yeah. So 1 week that, 1 week this. The program we're doing right now is like, it's pretty crazy. It's pretty intense. But it'll be a good day today. I think it's full body today. So
How big are you aiming to get?
my favorite day are leg days. I don't know why. My legs are pretty strong though. Like my legs are way stronger than my
Asian
arms.
leg genetics.
Yeah.
We're just superior.
Like my hamstrings.
It's the calves, man.
Yeah. I do have to rematch though.
Don, do you go into the sauna?
No. I do
Shit
not.
is good for like stress.
I've been to a sauna like a couple times. Fuck, bro. I see some people going to saunas with hoodies and shit. Like, what's wrong with you?
Yeah, here. It's a good poll question. Steam room or sauna, chat?
Oh man. Sauna. Wait, what's the difference? Same shit?
Sauna is just dry. Steam room is just a shit ton of steam. Sauna.
I've never been to a steam room. I've been to a sauna.
Saunas.
I like steam rooms. Like,
what's the difference though? Because isn't a sauna supposed to produce steam too, or is the sauna just hot?
sauna's just hot. And it's like the wooden stuff you go to, or sauna's steam room is just like super foggy. You can't even see.
Mm.
Like after a nice steam room, your skin feels so nice.
Yeah, I don't like either of them. Too hot. I can't breathe. And this one old guy at my gym, he keeps putting his own like peppermint oil on the
hell nah.
If you walk in the change room, it's just peppermint. Peppermint.
Hell no.
You take a breath, it fills your chest with cold fire.
Shout out that guy.
And he don't care.
It's funny.
Oh shit, we're almost equal.
I don't know what to do here though.
Kieran's got you.
Like, why isn't Slayer a word?
You're on your hacks.
Because if you get Slayer and get Blair.
Trying to answer it.
Oh.
I would change the last letter first. I think yeah, store.
Think so?
Stare. Do share. Or no, not stare. Do stars. That's what I do.
Wait, you're back to. Oh, share.
Instead of scare, do stars.
Sharp.
And then soars. Then bores. Then board.
Oh, you're different. Optimal too.
Jeez.
I told you Kieran's got you.
This is not New Zealand, right? Albania. Oh shit.
Oh damn.
We're getting better at this, huh?
Yeah, I can't believe you hit the Wordle on your own.
Yesterday I did. I hit the country. What did I get again?
Yeah. You're like, I'm not gonna get
Rwanda.
this.
I think this is I'm not gonna lie, before this game I didn't know where any of these were, but I have a
Croatia?
think so.
I'm just thinking what's close to there. Croatia. Czech at CZ.
What? It's one of them Slavic ones.
Oh my gosh.
Hockey. World Juniors.
Slovenia.
Romania. Oh, Hungary. Very close. We're a little close there. Dawn back testing. Stream. Oh shit.
Damn.
Second try.
The cream you have in the right place in the first guess. You gotta move it.
Easy. Wait. Okay, so red. Easy. He has 1 star.
This looks easy. It's one.
It's one of the blues.
Yeah, that's nuts. Words of Wisdom has a thing with Tate.
Oh yeah.
I saw the picture.
He collab with the pod. He collab with somebody else. But he's on that
CEO
pod.
cast as well, I think.
He's gonna get some recognition for sure. Pretty big. Big.
I think it would have to be the olive one, no?
Different.
Peace.
360, 45, 320,
270 something.
Oh wait, yeah.
Because it's like a 90-degree angle, but it's
Oh,
on the
that's
outside,
90,
so
right?
So it would be like 263. That's one up.
78, right?
Or 277. Oof.
I'm going 277.
Alright. Reza, pull 277.
Oh!
278. Oh, never mind.
There's that 78. Alright, bro. Are we hopping on the sticks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Who's on?
I can get on. Captain can probably get on. TJ as well.
Yeah, I'll have a quick game.
Yeah. Alright, man.
Try it.
I guess we'll do that. Oh, meeting tomorrow at 1.
Okay.
A reminder then.
169 votes. Almost a tie. 52% saw him.
We can do it today if you want. If it's easier. Like right now for like 25-30 minutes. Up to you.
If you can wait, like, it won't be right now. It will be like an hour.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
An hour?
Yeah, my other meeting just got
That's good
cancelled,
then?
so we should be good.
Good, Reza?
Yeah, sounds good. Hour?
Alright, yeah, an hour. Yeah, it's only 9:43. We haven't. Yeah, that's a lot of time. We're good. Yeah, I hit you around like 9:40. I guess 10:45. We'll do it.
Alright.
Sure. Sounds good.
Alright, man. Alright, Zoom. Peace out, y'all. I'll see you guys on Monday
See you guys.
or Sunday.
Enjoy your Friday.
Wick's not here, so he'll probably want me to say Asian Session Plug on Sunday. So Asian Session Plug on Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Later.
GG's.
Laters.
Wow.
Alright, chat. Yo, good shit today, chat, everybody. Good stuff today, man. You did good today. You did not FOMO. You waited for your trades. You did whatever you could today to win in that situation, and you did that. You didn't get emotional, right? You didn't go full margin, you didn't over leverage, right? You didn't over leverage this week on that drawdown trade. You'll still be here right now. You'll still be up for the week. Undefeated week once again for us. That is our 15th straight win on stream. And again, we'll be back on Monday, chat. The markets are here on Monday, so do not FOMO, do not stress about anything else that happens for the rest of the day, because it's not worth it. If you know the market's gonna move, and you know that you were able to understand price, right, today, then there's something different about tomorrow, and the day after that, and the month after that, right? As long as you develop the skill, no matter what day it is, you can trade. So don't stress if this is like something that you've seen for the first time, because you'll see it happen again eventually someday. It's just part of the yearly cycle that happens, that tends to happen with gold. All right, chat. So I'll see you guys, man. I'm gonna play some Warzone and then do the outro, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow or Monday. Okay, chat. If you guys are still training for your day, make sure you have a style blast, make sure protection. Love you guys. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Laters, man. W stream. Also, leave a like and sub to the channel if you guys are news. Thank you a lot today, chat. Especially yesterday too. All that noise, you know, it gets tiring, but you guys in the chat were able to make it better. Or the mods were at least. Alright, chat. Peace out. Wait, hold on. I'm not peacing out. I'm playing Warzone. So let me just open up Warzone here. Closing MT5 is the best feeling ever on a Friday though. Amazing. We had a nice DJ session this morning though. Pretty cool, pretty clean. You ever play Counter-Strike? Nah, that game is too sweaty. I'm not built like that, unfortunately. Close off this, restart it. Hold on, chat. Hold on. I'm gonna unmute. I'm gonna change my screen. I'm just gonna run these this 4K Elgato bugging out. Capture card is bugging out. End task. Okay, open up a new task. It's 10:43. Don has a meeting in 2 minutes. Is he playing one more? Yo, Reza. No, I'm not. I can't. I'm locked into this, bro. Whatever we're doing. I can't tell you guys what the means about chat, but it's definitely something big for the year that you guys have been asking for a very long time. So we're taking these meetings, and then we're looking to cook something up for April. Identify 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 1. I barely drank my coffee today too. All right, you ready? Are you ready?
Has been really on that. Just gonna come in and play music.
Oh, it's loud?
Come on.
Oh, we can hear it bleeding through.
That's why it's not too loud.
My bad.
A little bit of ambiance.
It's chilling, mate.
Oh shit. Game crash.
Uh-oh. My update's almost done.
Bugging out. Oh shit. Wait. Hold on, let me just make sure this thing is on as well. Keyboard. Do you guys know how to pin an app to a startup so when it opens up, it just starts up right away? I don't have to open it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's you can literally just type in your search bar open on startup, and it should
Startups, yeah. Startup apps.
Okay, I see. Oh, thank you. A bot. Title. I'm surprised gold is not moving right now. Is it moving? It's not, right? It's still in the range. Surprised. I was like, okay, should move the rest of the session.
Bro, volume died like the 5-minute candle right after news. That was insane.
God isn't moving that much.
I'm like, the sales could
15-minute
happen.
bottom wick.
So slow right now, though. I guess 30-minute closes above the range in about 2 minutes. Get a bottom wick. Get the wick fill.
What you said, already?
Oh, your system volume is coming through your Discord mic.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Can you hear us?
How about now? Is that better?
Yeah.
Yes.
But now, yeah, I don't hear anything right now.
Alright, cool. So loud, this game.
What?
Restart. Oh man, this game. I hate how they make you open app, restart, open app again, restart again, download shaders, restart again. Every time they have an update.
Yeah. The shaders are the worst bit. They take forever. Come on.
Oh, is Reza coming? I can only play for an hour though. We should be able to get 10 kills in.
Oh yeah.
Hello?
What's up, Reza?
Hello.
Main man himself.
I love the poll you put up.
Yo, he's definitely playing another one.
I take bets.
10:43. Don has a meeting in 2 minutes. Is he playing one more?
Nah.
76% of chat says yeah.
Wait, are you guys ranked?
Yeah.
Who ranked are you guys? You ranked captain, TJ?
I ain't good
I
enough for
don't
that, mate.
remember. I haven't played in a while. That rank.
Plat 1, Plat 2.
Wait, I know you're ranked. You can run it this weekend. I haven't played all week. I was busy. Who am I joining?
I'll join you. I'm just waiting. This update's just about done. I don't know.
Hey, Yanez.
What's going on, boys?
Yanez, you on?
Ooh.
Nah, I'm still looking at the charts.
Oh shit, you're still trading.
Are you still streaming?
Nah, oh yeah, we're streaming still, yeah. But we're playing Warzone.
Nice.
Yeah. Cards are crazy. What are you waiting for? That third closure?
I'm looking at US 30.
Oh yeah, US 30. How's that?
Yeah, bro, it moves crazy in NYSE Open.
Oh, like, do you get 10 pips quicker in gold?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, like instantly, right?
Yeah, in the last like 15 minutes, moved 196 pips.
Wait, so have you been trading on stream with it?
Nah, because it doesn't have too much volume in London. But I'm still like testing it out and everything. But I think it'll just be a NY session pair.
Good. Maybe taking this one.
Looking for the sell, Yanez?
Potential buyers, if we come down.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that as well.
Change my class.
Oh, is your shaders done already? What? This computer needs to get thrown in a bin.
Wait, why? What's wrong with it?
It's only on like 75%.
What is
It's
that?
nothing to do with your computer.
Shaders, man, they take ages.
Oh. I know they're launching.
You should show Kieran your specs.
Just takes 20 minutes for Warzone to get going.
Nice. 75% believe Dawn indeed will play one more.
I'll believe it too.
Getting bets? Getting bets?
Side bets? For the lottery?
Side bets, let's go.
A little crack though. You know what working out makes the game better? That's why I work out now. Makes me more focused.
Not for training or anything, just games.
One second.
Alright.
Right, whose game are you joining?
Mine.
Alright, sweet.
Captain's here.
Yo, yo. When are you going, TJ?
I'm probably gonna have to do one and then bounce.
Oh yeah, fair enough.
I'm supposed to leave at half 2.
Oh yeah, fair enough.
Yo, there's saying your game volume's too loud, Dawn.
Mine? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, fair enough.
I got you.
Turn down your game volume.
You good now? Good.
The best FOREX info is like live trading question mark.
Red camo.
Good.
Is it good now? They're going to hit it as hard? I know, but what's the Bruin? He just changed up a little bit. I don't know if that works. The HRM is still good. Too loud? Turn it down a little bit. How about that? Too loud? There's double audio, right? Okay, hold on. There's double audio coming in. That better?
You saying, Kieran, is it done?
You're on DC. Hey, Eunice, I think it's one of those days.
Yeah, I know. Bro, pumped up heaps, bro. NYC open, but
Way
then
too much, man. 350 pips in a single hour. Came down from support. I think I'm done. Welcome back.
Cool.
What's the RAM meta? Let me just make this RAM 7.
RAM 7 or RAM 9?
RAM 7.
RAM 7, one sec.
Barrel, headwork, headwind, underbarrel,
No, on the barrel. Spitfire suppressor, XRX barrel.
I don't. This is just so
stocks.
complicated for me. Let's see this RAM. Not bad, not bad. So slow though. No recoil?
No recoil.
If you hold it though, recoil. If you like pull it down. No recoil.
What is going on with my Call of Duty right now? Open.
Bruin? Hold on, let me make a Bruin class then. I don't know if I have the Bruin. MK9? Yeah, I don't have it unlocked. I don't have it unlocked, bro.
Finally opening. I don't know what's going on there.
Yo, they have this guy? That's crazy. Dune, right? I didn't watch Dune, bro. It's too long for my liking. It's alright.
Right, yeah, let's change to a new class. What's a good little primary to use, boys?
It's hard.
Do you have everything unlocked?
Probably not. Let's have a look.
So bug res turn? What happened? You can't start it up?
Sorry?
You can't start it up?
No, I just had to restart my computer. I'm good now. It's opening. Update requires reset.
Oh no. Are you sent in a loop again?
Well, Reza, looks
no,
looks like the odds of us staying past 45 is very high. Nah, I'm fine.
That's on me.
To a new poll, will Don reschedule?
No, I believe Don's here for this one.
Just do polls when I'm looking for trades and shit. Like, is Don gonna look for a buy or a sell here? Like,
Will he twitch?
I was thinking of doing that, but I was like, I don't know. I'm like, isn't that kind of just interrupting?
nah. Or like just stupid shit, like stuff that I usually just do on stream. Like, is Don looking for a buy or are you looking for a sell today? Or
Will Don do a breakdown?
Is Don waiting for a top wick or is not waiting for a top wick? You know, so that way he can learn too.
If you want some stupid polls, you're asking the right guy.
Yeah, I want some stupid polls.
Off the rip or not off the rip?
It's just a convo. That's good.
Yeah, no, that's a good one. Off
And
the
also, I
ripper,
think it helps
for
with our
work.
engagement rate, right?
Yeah, I believe it does.
Kind of clutch. There we go.
It's just fun. I think Chad just has a good time doing it.
What will be his stop loss? Over 150? Under 150?
Gold new next all-time high is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Will the runner do 100 pips or BE?
We hit the 70k mark. Let's go.
Here. Will gold hit all-time highs before closing again today?
Oh, talking about Monday. Well, yeah, I can do that too.
Yeah, I'll run some on there.
Hey, how when you post a screenshot on Instagram about MT5, you gotta like, there's no space but text. So you kind of gotta put it vertically. I just hate that. I don't know why. I wish MT5 could change their display just for a better screenshot on Instagram. You know when you screenshot on Spotify and then it shows you a different type of post to post on Spotify? If MT5 can do that, that'd be sick.
But shit, Carl, it's been a while since we played this.
Do you think it'd be an MT6?
Yeah, you didn't hear?
No, I want it to be like a little bit more updated.
It's gonna look like TradingView.
I think there are some different things they could add to make the interface a little bit better.
That's
Like,
right, what do you think?
like a stop. Okay, so like a take profit for partials.
What do you think would come first, GTA 6 or MT6?
MT6.
You think?
Oh yeah. GTA 6 coming out next year.
Oh, sure it is.
That get put.
Which means it'll be like what, like 13 years since the last one?
Didn't they say that about Half-Life as well? Never happened.
Yeah, when did MT5 come out? How long's that been?
Don't know actually.
Yeah, I got no idea.
What happened to my Spotify?
Lego, let's get 10 piece combo. Yo, what's BTC at? Did it ever break the highs again or no?
No, I don't think so.
That's 68,000.
It's about to. Alright, let's turn our music off.
What were we saying?
Ashika Island.
Oh,
I hate
It's been a
this
minute
map.
since I've been here. Holy
Yeah,
God.
Farms or Castle, I guess.
Let's go farms. Yeah, farm. Let's go on back of farms, like over here.
Okay. Going on pink. Oh, you loot goblin.
What was your first cap?
No.
Oh, there's a gazer up here.
Two people are
No.
done. Oh shit.
Oh man, they're behind me the whole time. I did clutch UAV though.
What is this aim going on when I'm shooting this?
You're on yellow.
Oh, so there's loads. So about 2 teams at the back.
One on roof as well.
There's one behind us, no?
Crack one. One outside as well.
Yeah, fuck.
No.
I was already low there.
I needed his gun.
Run, Tommy. Survive.
I'm doing it. Just gonna hide in the water. Oh, you bastard! Can't get out.
You got this, man. I haven't played this map in so long. I hate this map though.
It's the worst one, for sure.
Yeah, it is. It's just so like dark and shit. I don't know. It's kind of like Verdansk though in a way, but
No.
Oh, yeah.
That's better.
That was bad. Yeah. They're just pushing you guys. I'm just gonna crawl on.
It's on the roof. Oh, yeah.
Cracked him. Who? Right?
no, this. I got one down, but I didn't know they were all pushing like that. Fuck. All right. Go warm up.
Tommy was the only one with the gun there.
And he ran off.
I
Damn.
downed him and then got taken out.
There's no other
Good warm up.
resurgence. That's it. They're not rotating. Man. I guess it's just a Sheikah.
Yeah, that's wild.
Why aren't they rotating?
Center rotate every 15.
We got like 2 more games in the bag, guys. We got clutch stuff.
Got shot 3 more.
Installing the game right now. Good luck, man. Poster.
Yes, sir.
1 hour, no bottom wick. Wow, it's in a range, I guess. If that's in a range, or does that move at like 2 p.m. randomly? And move towards autumn highs or something. Yo, peace out, Jordy.
Take care, Jordy. Take care. Yeah, Don, check your WhatsApp whenever you can.
Are you ready for that meeting?
Yeah, I am actually.
Don't say anything out loud. Okay. Yeah, hold on.
Kill you.
Yeah, I got you. Weekly? Yeah. I just skimmed through it, but honestly, I think I trust you with it. Alright, here we go.
We're good.
What week is it? 3rd? There you go, man.
Whatever it is, Reza.
Do you know what was peak views today? Was it 5?
I can check. I can check.
Oh yeah, check please. I think it was 4.9 or something. I'm guessing.
I saw 4.7.
It's crazy how like
likes, bro.
Above like 3,000. Above like 3,000 view. We hit 5,076, but like for a trading stream, it's insane.
That was peak today. 576.
Yeah, 5,000
in that trade.
76. Yeah. Nope.
here, little buddy. We can be friends.
One to the left.
Oh, there he is.
Got him. Right here, in front of you, Don.
Yeah, there's someone way out in the water. Oh, nice.
Oh.
Get him.
Yeah, that's insane to me. Oh no, 5-1-2-3 was top. 5-1-2-3.
Oh, he's fucking done me.
Where is he? In the water?
Yeah. With a pistol as well.
Right here.
He's fucking done me.
Never changed, TJ. What's this?
I've also done TJ.
What? Oh, his boy's right here.
Whoa,
I
there's a
hate this
sniper.
map. Man.
Good aim, Kieran. Good aim.
Oh, yeah.
Getting clapped.
Yeah. Probably like 45 minutes, Reza. Or 20.
Yeah. Like at the meeting time.
You should let him come up, Kieran, and then down him.
I
again.
should have. I know. I just don't want to risk a latency issue or some shit. Desync.
Fair enough. I'm gonna go grab my guns.
Oh, there he is.
Where is he?
Damn.
Let's fuck him up.
He's down.
Let's fuck him up.
Oh, sniper there on ping.
Got no ammo.
10 minutes to 150 votes on the dot chat. Oh wow, yo, they started rooting for you. I don't know what you did. You convinced them, bro. It was at 75%. Now 62.
For optimize?
Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, never mind. Never mind. I thought it was the last stream. Yeah, I thought it was the last poll. I'm like, no, wait. You guys started believing in Don? It's definitely gonna play another game.
I can't get 10 though. Like, I have none right now.
What, to the right hand?
Bag.
On that
We have 4
radar.
on the team.
I don't think it's gonna hit all-time highs either. It's kind of been like the last 2 days. It's been popping, and then it just goes back into range, and it just ranges there until the next day, and then it just pops again, and then it just goes back in the range.
Who steps on me?
Where, on Tommy? Oh, Cap.
Where, Cap?
Yellow.
Alright.
Yeah, he's behind you.
Only 3 kills.
Oh yeah, another one. Nice work.
I can't get.
I'm
Oh, you
fuck.
son of a bitch.
How many more?
Dude, where's the kill counter on the screen? Oh, top right. We got 0.
Someone dropping in. Watch out.
No. I got
Nice
one.
work. I'm up though.
Nice.
Third party. I'm gonna drop on Lodi.
Mm-hmm.
I think I got clapped.
So is there one of their guys?
Oh,
Hello?
no.
Cap. Why didn't you just rush and punch him?
I was rushing them.
Nice hand holding, Blue. What?
He shouldn't have been able to get fucking loadout there.
My life.
Fuck.
We're gonna do over under.
I try to land that
Over
dude.
under.
What do you have? 3? 2? This chain is weighing me down.
Hey, bro, you just landed.
Chains, bro.
There's one coming Lodi.
Heavy.
Around 190.
Oh,
Got one.
Nice.
Cracked another.
And the other one.
So,
I have no place. Give me a sec. I'm gonna come to you.
found another one.
Nice.
Load up.
All right, chat. Over under 5 kills.
Oh
next
shit!
week.
I just got sniped.
Yeah, I see him.
That was a good
Can you
shot.
back up, back up, back up.
Come on, chat. You guys really think over 5? Over under 5
Oh,
kills.
behind
Where
us.
you at?
Behind
Oh, my
us.
team.
Yeah, that. Oh,
Surprised he even landed that snipe.
to the right as well, Don.
Go on the roof, looking low.
Where
down.
I hear him, but over there.
Yo, Don, Chad believes in you. 50% over 5 kills. Don't let him down. Don't let the pressure get to you.
Oh shit! I mean, he sniped out of the sky. I literally just landed.
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's people there, Cap. Oh, nice.
Got him. Team wipe.
Nice.
I'll get my shit.
That ain't my gun.
This is my gun on it. Where did I die?
That's my one though.
I might take
This
yours,
isn't
Cap.
that.
Yours is probably better than mine.
Bro, I don't even know
Boys, I'm
where
gonna get a bit, eh?
Good night.
I'll catch
Oh,
you.
yo,
One
peace out,
upstairs
bro.
right there.
Sounds
Good night,
good,
mate.
sir.
See you Monday.
Okay.
Bro was so quiet. I forgot he was here.
Bro.
It was in a trader thing or something.
Oh, sniper on that roof.
I see him.
He's one shot. Got down here.
Yeah,
though.
downed him.
Ammo.
Nice.
Nice. Any sniper ammo?
No, I've only got 3 bullets left in mine.
Right there.
There's more.
Thank you.
Like 2 of them.
Oh, to the right. No, he's down there. Down the hill.
I got one down, but got precision on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up here and get and fuck his guys up.
They
Okay.
need to come to us anyway. We're in zone. Team on yellow behind us.
But I can get my load out.
Got one
Oh,
down.
behind it.
Yeah, piece of
risky
cake.
though.
He's below us, no?
Maybe in the tunnels. I don't see anyone right below.
Yeah, I think he's-
Yeah, I
he's
don't
in
hear
here.
him at all. On ping, yellow.
And we got a muni box.
No.
Yeah,
No.
yep. Yeah. 1 second.
Oh,
Come here.
nice.
Team fighting over the hill, north side. Nice.
Hello. There we go.
TJ.
Yeah.
We're moving.
Want to push it or I'm going storm?
There's one right there in the open.
There we-
Over here?
Cracked him.
One right here.
Yeah, I'm coming to you now.
Yeah,
You're on
he's,
swap, right?
Yeah.
he's down to your left, Kieran. To your left. That's it. Nice.
Oh, getting shot at from behind you guys.
On the roof.
Yeah.
Plating up. No way, on the hill.
Stay there,
Okay.
Cap.
No, I'm not safe here.
Crawl inside. If you can get inside, come inside.
It's fine, Kieran's getting me now.
Oh, he's inside the building.
Oh wow. Another one's low around the corner. Be careful. Pushing you.
Pop him.
No. What time is it? 24? Fuck. Okay. What do we have there? 6? This map is
big.
hard to get 10 in, huh? What's the hotspot?
Usually farms.
Farms temple?
Find farms is the hot.
Oh, Karen, did you hear the soul render? The knife apparently can go through right shield.
Yeah. Not too happy about that.
Yeah, no.
But I mean, the right shields are broken. Like, look,
No, it's not. Yes, it is.
where's how do I
Battle
get it?
Pass. Battle Pass. B21.
I would gladly run around with that instead of the wait, what's the speed on it? Firing rate? No, it still doesn't even compare to the top.
Nothing can.
Literally nothing has the attack speed of it, and it doesn't make any sense to use anything else because as long as it's got a faster firing rate, you'll down the people in the same speed or faster. Like the gutter knife has high damage, but it's got low fire rate. You don't want no.
Jeez.
So we're dropping farm or temple?
I'm using the RAM, bro. That MTZ is a little too slow. What are you guys using?
Temple. RAM 7
RAM
and
9.
Stalker.
RAM 9?
Yeah, I use the RAM 9 on DM56 if I'm doing a bit of far range.
Actually, RAM 9, yeah, SMJ.
BP50 and RAM 9. The SVA is still really good.
What's that guy doing, bro?
Yo, 6 more votes at 100. I'm closing this. Y'all know how it goes.
What's that guy doing?
What was your kill count right there?
I'm getting 10, bro.
Oh my God. I'm watching a delayed stream, bro. It's so bad. My voice is live, but like my visuals are delayed.
Oh shit, for real?
Yeah, because I'm watching off YouTube. But then they hear me like 10 seconds earlier, so every time I talk, it's completely off.
Yeah, I wish I could funnel like a live link to my OBS or something, but I can't. That'd be sick. Where are we going, guys?
Farms?
Farms, yeah, let's go farms.
Hot drop.
10 kills.
Mate, so have they got rid of like the other maps? Like we lost Lighthouse and everything else.
I guess it's on like some sort of weekly rotation instead of the hour or like every 20 minutes or whatever it was.
Oh, mate, I like the Lighthouse map. Just started to get good at it.
There's one more inside. Oh.
Yeah.
Got him.
One more inside the building, Kieran.
Got no gun.
Reloading.
The other one in the backside of the building.
Yeah, gonna wrap around.
Honey, I'm home.
I have our plates. Where the guns at? Oh.
One landing on roof.
Yeah, 2 right by me.
On blue roof. I'm gonna come towards you.
Right here. 1 in the air right now, landing in.
Yep, I see him.
Yep, to the right.
He ran outside.
You're right here. Nice.
Got him.
Nice.
Another one on the backside of this building. One down here.
Rotating around.
Oh, behind us. They are, yeah, behind us over there.
I can't help you there, sorry.
Yeah, it's all good.
Footsteps on yellow. On blue, sorry.
Right here.
They got low,
I'm
right?
gonna push up. Nice.
Behind me on rocks. On pink ring.
Park coming in.
Oh shit, I'm being triple teamed. Nice work. Good job. They've done that before.
Yeah, Black, kill streams Don is so locked in.
Yeah, they're behind me. Oh, they're above me.
To the right, you cap.
Yeah.
I'm dead, bro.
Two of them on the fence line.
They ganged up on
Around
me.
290.
Yeah, TJ's dead here. I'm not landing there. I saw this funny ass clip of this guy streaming Fortnite, and this guy killed him, and he's like, "Oh yeah, that's a stream sniper for sure." And this guy in the comments like, "Stream sniping with 3 viewers, okay." He's like, "Get him out of here. He sounds like a hater."
3 viewers.
They're not
Stream
really
sniping, that's
good.
crazy. F4? Alt F4? True.
Oh wow, there's 2 on that road.
Oh, he just took a picture with me. That was disrespectful. Wow. Yeah, someone comments, dude's losing 33% of his viewership on that ban.
I squished one, dude. Is that Reza? That's what you want to know?
You squished one, dude?
Yeah.
Wait, might be delayed. No, I didn't see it.
Yes, finally.
Louis said lagging a bit. I'm okay, Louis. It's not lagging for me. Yo, they're going off on BTC. Apparently, BTC's ripping. It's ripping, mate.
I'm telling you, weekend crypto is different. It usually moves during the weekend.
All the degens come out. They're like, "Fuck."
Yeah, everyone after 5 p.m. All right, guys, what's next? Crypto.
They just need to fucking addicts.
DJ's repeating my A.
Oh, yo, you crash landed it, the helicopter on someone.
Yeah.
I really want to see that. Yeah. Wait, I'm not sure. Are you in a helicopter
Hey,
again?
anyone got a smoke? No, I'm about to hop out the window.
No.
I'm just gonna run and risk it.
Yeah, reaping fam.
What's up, man?
Okay.
What's going on, boys?
The fuck did I just grabbed? What is this? Hacked?
Bro, I just finished a meeting and I was literally been watching you play Warzone the whole meeting.
On that roof.
Oh yeah, right above me.
Wait, Cam, do you still have a job?
Two of them up there.
Do you just run around?
9 to 5.
Oh, you still got it.
Yeah.
Someone's at the buy station. Shit.
But you're probably like
we're pushing the building.
doing the absolute least.
But basically what I do, Reza, is like I just live off my job and then I'm keeping savings from the business profits.
Yeah, but I'm saying you like at work.
Hello.
You're just basically there to do the least and get paid the most.
Pretty much.
Yes.
Gotta rinse it while you can, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That's so funny.
I got no ammo.
It's crazy in like the corporate world, because like I work in tech, mate. It's literally whoever sucks up to people the most. Do you know what I mean? You've just got to be nice to like the main people. Say yes whenever they ask.
Are you talking about Don's reacting to stream, but it sounds like you're like, yo, whoever sucks off people the most, and Don's like, what the fuck? That's sick.
Nah, I know.
Sign me up.
Hey, yo!
Team coming in, boys.
Yeah, Sam.
Where?
On pin, blue pin.
Come over here. I don't know where I got shot from.
Yeah, we're kind of in a pinch here.
I'm gonna get chase down here.
Guys beaming me.
Oh, behind too. Wow. How? No audio.
Yeah.
Just there.
Everything's pushing us now.
Nice work.
Sayonara.
That was such nice movement, Don. Holy.
Oh, just stood up.
Bro got the switcheroo.
He's right here.
Later.
Oh my god, he just tried to thirst me so bad and he missed like 80%
Yeah,
of
I'm
the
trying
bullets.
to
That's
get to you
hilarious.
guys. I'm being pushed right now.
I'm up in 10.
What the fuck is everyone landing on me, bro?
Got him.
Nice one, Cap.
No!
Oh, what?
Just heard 1,000 people land on me. I'm dead. Dude, Cam, are you ranked?
What'd you say?
Are you ranked?
Nah, man, I haven't played Warzone in like 4 months. Probably longer actually, more like 6 to a year.
One on blue, on top of you, Karen.
I just never top on anymore. I need to start getting on.
Oh, you been locked into work?
Yeah, just everything. I quite enjoy the grind, you know what I mean? I quite enjoy just getting it done.
What, Warzone or work?
Both.
Oh.
No, I do enjoy the grind at work though.
Who's it, Pandora's? Right here.
Where?
He's inside. There's 2 teams on us.
Okay, I just got fucked.
Reloading. Where?
Backside.
Backside, yeah. I'm gonna wrap around. Get shooting, I'm gonna push him.
I'm getting clean.
I'm gonna play Warzone tonight, you know. I'm gonna sweat it all night.
A captain with 7?
Bro's on 200.
He's in the water, going right side.
Someone landed on me as well. Cracked him.
Ah.
I
Oh,
downed
yeah,
him.
he's right on the
One more behind me.
Nice.
On blue.
On blue?
Yep. Blue's pushing in.
Cheers, Cap.
Blue roof.
Let's rotate here a bit. Someone right
One
in front of us.
us.
Wow. He really baited me into his fucking proximity mine. Well played, bro.
Water? Over here?
Oh!
I lived.
There's
what
a bow
kind
and
of ping
arrow
of
now?
water?
Apparently. Crossbow.
Or, yeah, not crossbow.
Oh, nice. I actually got that shit. You have a muni box, anybody?
No.
No.
Negative. Set a buy station.
Actually, I only have 40 ammo left.
She got no recoil.
One in front of me. On pin.
Well, I just shot at you.
Anyone?
Oh, yeah, there's a team running over the back.
Yeah.
Mortar strike. Right, hang on. Let's put this fucker in.
Team on pink ping. Watch out.
Oh, shit, man.
Yo, we gotta go.
Yeah, this is a bad spot. We're getting pinched here.
No. Nice, 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 nice. I'm probably dead though. To the right, to the left of you.
There's one on top of us.
Hold on, hold on.
Keep running. Fuck, no ammo? Oh, that's annoying.
What was that?
I just movement. Fuck.
That's my bad. I didn't know I had no ammo.
Yeah, GG's, bro. Couldn't get it today.
GG. We got it as a team.
I'm that
but
guy.
not as an individual.
Yeah, that's right. That's true. We got it as a team. That's all that matters.
Next
Alright, bro,
Friday,
nice
man.
meeting,
We'll
bro.
get it.
I'll see you guys.
GG's.
Oh, you still have time?
Good
What do you
weekend,
mean?
boys.
GG's.
GG, thanks for the games.
Later, later, later.
GG's.
Alright, chat. Bro, I'll see you guys on Monday, bro. I tried, bro. We tried to get 10. This map is tough. But happy Friday, yo. I'll see you guys on Monday morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Have a good rest of your weekend. Enjoy. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. And let's move on to the second week of March. Alright. Yeah, man. Love you guys. Laters. I guess we can play one song. Play one song.
Sometimes our priorities don't really owe your pain. Your pain. You've got a life. You've got a life. You've got a life.
Green star.
Hey, Lizzie.
Private meeting.
Shake that body, party that ball. Shake that body, party that ball. Shake that body, party that body. Come and have a good time with G.O.D.
I believe there's a God above me. I'm just the God of everything else. I'll put holes in everything else. New God flow, fuck everything else. Supreme dope dealer. Write it in bold letters. They love a nigga spirit like Pocket the Coachella. They said push ain't fit with the umbrella, but I was good with the Ye as a wholesaler. I think it's good the Ye got a blow dealer. A hot temper, match with the cold killer. I came aboard for more than just to rhyme with them. Think 99 when Puff with a hand shine with them. Yeah. Matching Daytonas, rose gold on us. Going ham in the beats and then took a toll on us. Well, since you overdo it, I'ma pour more. Well, if you going coupe, I'm going 4-door.
Shake that body, party that ball.
That's rare,
Shake that
nigga.
body, party that ball.
Ric Flair,
Shake that
nigga.
body, party that ball.
Yeah,
Come and
nigga.
have a good time with G.O.D.
Yeah.
Shake that body, party that ball.
Wow.
Shake that body, party that ball.
Wow.
Shake that body, party that
It's a new
ball.
God flow,
Come and
nigga.
have a good time with G.O.D.
Yeah. Step on they necks till they can't breathe. Claim they 5 stars but sell you dreams. They say death multiplies by 3s. Line them all up and let's just see. Fuck 'em, yay. Fuck 'em, yay. I wouldn't piss on that nigga with Grandma, yay. Woo! They shit is shopping at Target. Woo! My shit is luxury ball made. I'm ballin', I'm already a Nick soul in the park, then I want in. What's a king without a crown, nigga? What? What's a circus without you clown niggas? What's a brick from an out of town, nigga? When you flood and you can drown niggas. Yeah. It's the good music golden child. It made $, can't nobody hold me down.
Shake that body, party that ball. Shake that body, party that ball. Shake that body, party that body. Come and have a good time with G.O.D.
Hold up, I ain't trying to stunt, man. But the Yeezys jumped over the jump, man. Went from most hated to the champion God flow. I guess that's a feeling only me and LeBron know. I'm living 3
I got different
dreams.
trash, 4 to 5.
Biggie Smalls,
I'll
Dr.
see you
King,
guys,
Rodney
bro.
Kings.
I'll Monday, I swear.
Cause we
Alright,
can't
chat,
get
peace out, love you
along.
guys.
No
I'll see you guys.
resolution.